Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes, family. Yes, family. What's the word? What's the word, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. We are here and we are live. Yeah. 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 What's going on, family? What's going on, family? What's going on? It is your boy Abel checking in for the one time. Y'all know the vibes, family. Super excited to be here with every single one of you guys this morning. Let's get it. See, we got Mike in the building, Ninja in the house, Kyrie off the ground. Kevin, what's the word? Good to see you guys in the chat. Good to see you guys here with me this morning, family. Let's get it. Let's get it. We are back with another trading session. Back with another opportunity to go ahead and get straight to the bag. Yeah, baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Just doing a little quick run through real quick, family. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Go ahead and smash the like button one time, family. Smash that like button one time for your boy. Appreciate y'all so much. Let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and lock in real quick, family. See what we got. What type of news do we have on the schedule for today? Let's see if there's anything major that we need to be aware of. Let me see. Nothing too crazy. Oh, we actually have a new feature too, family, right? If you guys are a part of the Discord, and you guys are a part of the premium section of the Discord, right here in the news feed section, which we actually just did a little revamp to this. Shout out to that boy Skags for making a nice little tool for us to make it a little bit easier to actually read and understand the news. Right, the last news feed that I had here, it was a little bit damn near impossible to really read. But now we got an updated, family. So it's pretty cool, right? Anybody that's a part of the VIP can come here now and access this. We don't even need these damn calendars no more, baby. We got Discord. And the cool thing about it is /calendar. Oh wait, no, ! calendar. And we can get the calendar too. This is pretty cool, baby. Look at this. Ah. Object has no attribute today. So we got nothing today. Yeah, this is pretty cool. You know, we've been this boy Skags has been working on a few things here, guys, to allow us to have some more tools inside of the Discord that will allow us to actually look at news and stuff, right? So this is pretty cool. We can see all the major headlines that are coming out. consistently. We can actually check the calendar. I got to see what's going on with the calendar, why it's not coming up. Something I got to talk to the boy at. But it does look good. All right, you can even get any type of economic data we want. Now, this is all going to be based on US in the United States. But you can get all this. Even if you do click on all this, it's going to come out just for the States. All right, so this is pretty cool, guys. Inside the Discord, you can see the consumer sentiment data. You can see the GDP, inflation. You can literally see all the numbers that you really need right here in the Discord. Right, so that is pretty fire if you ask me. Yeah, shout out to that boy Skaggs, man, creating some amazing things over there, guys. But besides that, though, man, we don't have anything too crazy as of now on the radar for today. I mean, later on tonight, we do have unemployment rate for the New Zealand dollar and the employment change, but that's the way later on. It's like around 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? So nothing too crazy for today in terms of news. Honestly, we don't have nothing. We don't have too much to begin with as a whole, right? For the whole week, you know, we have literally just today with New Zealand unemployment rate, and then on Thursday initial jobless claims, and then on Friday just unemployment rate for the CAT. So nothing crazy in terms of news this week, family, whatsoever. So it should be a very simple, solid week for sure. Now, let's take a look at these markets, guys, and see what the hell is going on. All right, because obviously we've experienced a very interesting day yesterday where damn near every market was falling, every market was tanking, everything was getting absolutely slaughtered. And including the dollar, right, which is kind of interesting. The only thing that wasn't getting slaughtered was honestly just the Japanese yen, right? The Japanese yen is the only thing that really, you know, had a really good time. I mean, look at this move right here, guys. This is the daily time frame, by the way, right? This is a daily time frame. This is a massive run right there. That's a pretty massive move there. Right. So yeah, the Japanese yen was definitely the only thing that that wasn't falling yesterday. And we're gonna see what happens today. You know, are we gonna experience more sell-offs here, or are we going to eventually find a low and see some of these things correct? Right now, gold did correct a little bit. Right, yesterday it did find a low and correct it a little bit, but obviously we see it starting to push back down now. Indices as well, they didn't really do nothing yesterday. Yeah, they didn't really do nothing yesterday, but I want to see if we're able to now rebound, right? Are these things going to rebound, or are we just going to continue to trend lower here for indices, right? And that's what we're going to figure out today. All right, in terms of crypto is trying to recover as well. You know, Bitcoin yesterday at one point was below 50K. Now it bounced up a quick $5,000 up to 55,000. Ethereum ended up dropping pretty hard down below 2,200, now sitting at 2,400. Solana is what I'm most excited about. You know, this thing ended up getting to 110, which is nuts. I ended up starting to buy again. This is the only thing that I started to accumulate again. All right, because I ain't gonna let none of these little sell-offs scare me, right? I have a long-term projections for these markets, especially the crypto market. So once we got below 120, yeah, I started loading up again, right? I started buying up again, right? So I currently have positions down here at these lower levels under 120, and it's looking really good right now, right? Currently up around 15%. Can't argue that, man. Can't be upset about that whatsoever, man. So that's pretty dope. That is pretty dope. And depending on how this continues to react, I might want to buy some more, right? So again, I've been buying a lot of Solana lately. It's like the only thing I've been accumulating now has been Solana. So yeah, I want to continue to do that if possible. Polkadot, again, this is like my biggest bag. It's been completely underperforming. Like, it's damn near back to where my entry point, which is kind of annoying as hell. All right, we ended up getting this entry. Actually, the initial entry was literally last year at around this $4 area. We ended up seeing 176% rise, and this thing just corrected. So literally back at break even for Polkadot, which is extremely annoying, especially since it is my biggest holding. But it is what it is. I might just really start to shift some of this into Solana, shift some more into Solana, just because that's how pissed off I am with her. But it is what it is, man. We'll see how that recovers. All right, but in the meantime, though, family, that is pretty much what we're looking at. I want to see what the dollar or what gold does here. It looks like we are seeing a lot of selling pressure. If this does close like this with this super bearish 1 hour candle, I think we could see more downside for sure here. Probably come and test the lows. So I want to look to see if there's a possibility for that. In terms of the dollar itself, the dollar is trying to rebound here, trying its best to rebound. I think we could see a little bit more upside, but ultimately, I think we still see more weakness as well. And indices, man, indices have just been getting smoked. Yeah, the Nasdaq's been getting smoked. US 30, the S&P, all been getting smoked, and I want to continue with the smokage. I want to continue with the smokage. So we're gonna see what we get here, family. We are going to see what we get, man. How you guys feeling in the chat, though, family? Talk to me nice, y'all. Y'all kind of quiet today. Talk to me nice, family. How you guys feeling in the chat? Let me know. Let's see. Victoria in the house. Sandra, what's the word? Jose, what is going on, y'all? Gold right now is fairly interesting. I mean, it is, right? Because it's falling pretty hard right now. You know, we are seeing a nice little sell-off. Ultimately, we gotta see if this is gonna continue, though, right? I'm interested to see how this continues to play out here with gold. All right, if we do close like this, are we actually just gonna continue to drop, or? Yeah, I mean, I would love to assume that we're gonna probably continue to drop here. I would love to assume that. But we gonna have to wait and be patient today, y'all. We gonna have to wait and be patient. We gonna have to wait and be patient. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Give me a second, family. Give me a second, family. Yeah, gold is just tanking right now. US 30 look like it might continue to fall as well here. Man, when this market runs, bro. This market runs. All right, let me see. What's the word, Austin? Good to see you in the chat, my brother. Hopefully you are, I think you're on vacation. If you are, hopefully you're enjoying that vacay, man. Hopefully we can get you some money in your pockets. Or at least get you paid, man. Hopefully we can get you paid today, man. Come on now. How we feeling, gold, man? How we feeling, Goldilocks? How we feeling, gold, man? How we feeling, Goldilocks? How we feeling, gold, man? We got free zone in the building. What's the word, free zone? I'm in on my other YouTube account. Well, let me sign into my other account with the wrench. Man, how many accounts you got, my boy? Hey, this one is cooler too, though, boy. This one is cool too, cause this one you've been a member of the stream for a little minute with that little emblem next to your name, Austin. Let's go. Big round of applause for that boy, Austin, man. Come on now. Shout out to you, bro, for being a member of the channel. Let's get it. That's how you have that little badge near your name. You are the only superstar with the badge on your name in the chat. Let's go. Big kudos to you. Honestly, the wrench is cool, but I like that little badge better. That means you've been rocking, bro. That means you've been rocking, man. So shout out to you, bro. But yeah, let's continue to see what we got here, family. I mean, are you guys looking at anything as of right now, y'all? Anybody looking at anything? Anybody in any positions? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice right now, y'all. Mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Nah, that's crazy. Man, Snoop Dogg, shout out to you, boy. Let's see, Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Shrimp in the building, Ninja in the building. Even if I'm able, did you get my Discord message? I probably did not. It's very, I'm gonna be honest, family, it's very rare that I check Discord messages. Just because I'm not used to checking Discord messages. So most likely not, but I will take a I will look at it though. I will take a look at it today for sure. But most likely not. Because I'm gonna be honest, family, like the easiest way to reach me is probably gonna be through Discord or not through Discord, but through Instagram messages or Facebook messages. Shoot. Maybe even Telegram before Discord. But we'll see. Nas looks ready to sell. Let's see what the Nasdaq doing. What the nasty Nas doing here? Go wait till market open. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till market open too. But I definitely see about to tap into this little imbalance fair value gap. This could be a little fair value gap play that does produce another low here. But yeah, I typically, you guys know I don't trade this till the open. But I wouldn't be surprised, man, if we do just tap into this fair value gap on the 5-minute and just continue to roll over here. We all in shape. Big shout out to y'all, fam. Continue to smash that like button though for your boy. Appreciate you guys so much. Appreciate y'all so much. Let's see. Oh wow, so you haven't seen any of the recent clips I sent you? Let me see. I check when you tell me, Freeze. I'm like, whenever you do send me it, I notice that you send me it through Discord, so I do end up checking, but I gotta triple check to make sure I seen the most recent ones. Hold on. Oh yeah, I'm at your messages now. Yeah, I mean I see the clips now. Holy moly, I'm like 2 weeks late though for these clips. Yo, my apologies, bro. Yeah, I just noticed these because I'm about to download these Johns right now because I know these are some bangers. Sheesh. Yeah, I gotta be more aware of my Discord messages. The thing about Discord, bro, is like there's a million fake pages on Discord. Like I literally get friend requests from people I just know are not sending me friend requests, bro. So I also get messages from random people as well. I gotta be more on top of Discord for sure. See what we get here. Yo, did you guys see that new law that Nassau County just passed, family? New York. New York is crazy, creating some crazy laws. I don't really think it's crazy. I see both arguments. But Nassau County, New York, which is where New York is at, they just passed a law banning the use of face masks in public. What? Yo! Oh man! Oh my God! I got Austin with the $10. Austin, you are too nice to me, boy. Ain't you on vacation, bro? You should have took that $10 and got yourself some Starbucks this morning, bro. But I appreciate you so much, my brother. Thank you so much for that, bro. It means a lot, man. You support the family, I support you right back, my brother. Come on now. Let's see. Get this man a PA. Would you rather me send them to your Instagram? Honestly, probably to my Telegram. Like, I really am a fan of how files and things get sent on Telegram, because Telegram does a good job of not messing up the quality of the content, the quality of the video. So I'd rather just Telegram, bro. So I don't know if you are in my Gems with Abel Telegram channel, free zone, but if you are, bro, definitely just use that. Let me see. I'll send you a message if you're in here. No, I don't think you're in this Telegram. Yeah, I gotta get you in this Telegram, or at least give you my access to my Telegram, because Telegram is probably the best. They just do a great way of not messing up and distorting the content. Instagram will be horrible, honestly. Instagram will ruin all the quality of the videos. Let's see, Discord DMs is hella sketch. They really are. I don't know. Discord DMs is like Telegram back in the day when Telegram was really popping and everybody was creating accounts and there was a million fake accounts being created and you ain't know who the hell you was talking about. Let's see, the 1 hour fair value gap between 850 and 721 under your gas line looks good to take along. What's going on, Mike Clausen, man? Good to see you back in the chat, Mr. Barcode himself. You see how good I am with memory, y'all? Like, I remember certain things from y'all, right? Like, when you guys say things that are funny as hell or just different in the chat, I remember y'all. Right, so shout out to Mr. Barcode in the building, man. Shout out to you, Mike. I appreciate you for being here, bro. And you said the 1 hour fair value gap between 850 and 721. 850 and 721. What asset are you referring to right now, bro? What asset are you referring to? What are we looking at? Because I'm trying to see. Can be gold. NQ. Okay, let's see what we got here for NKizzle. That's awesome. Yeah. NQ Mini. Yeah, it's the same thing. All right, let's see. You said the 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I see what you're looking at down here. Right below this low. I mean, it's possible, right? But the only thing that will be of my concern is the equal low that's also a little bit below it. All right, that's why I have the gas tank here. There is that chance, right? Obviously, that the market does, maybe react off of here. I personally think we'll rather take out the low first and then possibly see something like that to go to the upside. So, I mean, it's possible, right? Like, it is possible. We could react off of here. I just don't think it's likely with these equal lows left behind. So we'll see. The beautiful thing about it is we still just reprice action, right? If price does come down into that fair value gap and we start to see some reactions to the upside, then we take it no matter what, right? And then unfortunately, stops are going to be where everybody else's stops are. So that's the only downfall. But if we get stopped out, then so be it. Just add another try, right? Add another position once the market tells us again. But other than that, I do like this area. I do think the market is now just going into a phase of accumulation regardless. And I think we do eventually, in my opinion, start to rebound back to the upside. So we'll see either way. I always verify usernames and profiles. Yeah, I do too now. I definitely do. But I think I have PTSD now. Right? You guys have no idea. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, how many fake pages have done bad to people that rock with me, right? That follow me. And it kind of made me it kind of like gave me a little PTSD, right? Like, imagine you getting hit up out of the blue. Like, just put this into perspective, right? The first time it ever happened to me, the first time a fake page was created, fake Telegram was created to me, and the first time somebody actually came to me and pressed me, they're like, yo, Abel, bro, you owe me money. Like, think about that, right? Out of the blue, you have no idea what's going on, all right? Because scammers were able to pretend who you were, right? They end up scamming some people, and then guess what? Those people come to me, and now they're pressing me, like, yo, Abel, bro, where's my money? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, I'm gonna do blah, blah, blah. Oh, if I see you in real life, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, right. I've had numerous times where people threatened me, and then I had to explain to them, like, bro, don't threaten me because you didn't verify profiles. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, family, right? But there was a time, I'm pretty sure some of y'all remember, right? Especially y'all that been right. There was literally a time where there was literally a fake page of me created every single day. Like, literally, I swear to God, every single day. Fake Instagrams, fake Telegrams, fake Facebooks. So that kind of gave me PTSD, man. Like, now I'm very careful with the conversations I even have. Like, now I don't just randomly send messages to you guys out the blue. That's just not gonna be me, right? Because that's just a red flag in my opinion, right? Like, you gotta think about that, family. Like, really think about that. Like, okay, I follow this individual, but why the hell would they randomly message me out the blue without us having some type of dialogue before that, right? So yeah, I don't even message nobody for that reason, unless I tell you ahead of time, like, yo, I'm about to message you. boy got PTSD, man. No cap. That whole situation was crazy. Like, there was a time at an event. Like, imagine that, family, right? I'm at an event. Right after I get off stage from doing my thizzle. And it wasn't like they were trying to, like, really press me aggressively. But, like, imagine somebody pulling you to the side in person. Like, yo, bro, let me talk to you. Like, yo, what's up with this? Da, 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 right? So try to check me. Then I had to explain, like, bro, that ain't me, bro. Come on. So let's, yeah. Man, what a time, man. We went through some interesting times in this industry, man. But yeah, I done got checked a couple times from people getting scammed by people using my image. So it gave me PTSD, fam. We just gotta be aware of these things, man. These scammers don't play. And they're very actually, I was gonna say they're very convincing, but they're not actually convincing. Like, these people that do create fake pages, family, like, if you really do get got off of that, like, I don't know, bro, because, like, there is just so it's at times, like, this is so obvious that this ain't the right person, but it is what it is. All right, family, we are about to get 9 o'clock here in a couple seconds. New hour candle is about to open up. And we're about to see what we get in 30 minutes as well from stock market open, man. Let's see what we get here. Bro, what's good with gold? That's a great question. I mean, we just got a very strong hour closer to the downside. Could the market rebound off of that? Technically, it could, right? The market can do what it wants. But just based on how we're looking right now, based on how my moving averages are positioned, where they're very much showing downtrend, I would have to assume that we're probably going to continue to make another low, right? Come out and take down, you know, this equal low that we also left behind here. Put my little gas tank down there, right? Again, the gas stands for liquidity. We want price to push towards the gas tanks because liquidity is the fuel, aka gas, that gives price, you know, the backing that it needs to really make big moves. So based off what we're seeing here, I would love to just target the gas tanks. All right, just continue to, you know, roll over to the downside here. You know, we're creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We just had a 1 hour trigger line close. So yeah, I would assume that we do continue lower here. Now, obviously, if the market does bounce up, it just bounces up, then we have to see how we react here. And if we do hold above this 24.56, then at that point, we could probably just switch our buys and start to look for buys. But for now, I'm leaning towards sells until further notice. And yeah, that's what I would like to, you know, set myself up for. So we shall see. We shall see what we get here in terms of gold. Let's see what's going on, Linda. Good to see you in the chat. Check your text later. I sent you my Telegram. I got you, Friesen. I got you for show. It was crazy. It was all over IG heavy. Absolutely. What's happens on TikTok now as well? Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. Yeah, a few of them used to follow me. It's crazy, bro. Like, they used to follow me. Like, how dumb can you be? Like, the fake pages literally used to follow me, which is how I used to find their asses. Look Like, are y'all crazy? I'm pretty sure I might even... I mean, now I got the blue check mark, think the load. So now it definitely died down like crazy. Boom, boom, boom. Quick 330 on gold, man. That boy Austin. Let's go, Austin, bro. Cook up, man. Cook up, man. Hook up, bro. Let's go. And I do want to make it very clear as well, Austin. Gotta make this very clear. Shout out to you and your fam for allowing you to do your thizzle, show up still, clock in for work, even while you're on vacay. Shout out to you, your lady, your family. They're the superstars here. Let's go. Because I'll be honest, bro, my girl, when we on vacay, she don't want me near my phones or nothing to do with trading. I mean, besides if I'm just trading, obviously, to make back the money we about to spend, but like, she don't allow me to do nothing. It's like, nah, boy, you gonna have to spend time with me. So big shout out to you and the fam, man. Let's go. Family, continue to go ahead and smash that like button real quick. Smash the like button, family. If we all just took 1 second real quick. Just 1 second to hit that like button. We will triple the amount of likes we have on the stream right now. Come on now, baby. Let's go. Come on. 330 for family, excursions, and dinner. Absolutely. And the crazy thing is, shit is expensive nowadays, right? So 330 is probably just going to be for one excursion and one dinner. I'm telling you. It's expensive, boy, to travel now. Like, you can't travel without spending $5,000-$10,000 now at this point. It's kind of nuts. But hey, man, take advantage of that one excursion and that one dinner, man. Come on now. Let's see, a lot of put out golf. Yeah, putt golf. Yeah, a lot of mini golf would be solid. I appreciate the 7 of you guys that did decide to like the stream, man. You guys are the superstars here. Those of you guys that do support the stream by commenting, liking, sharing, you know, donating super chats, showing love. I do this shit for y'all, man. I really do. All right, Go. What we doing, Go? You just gonna continue to fall here, or you gonna give us a little bit of a pullback first? Like, what we doing here, Gold? What we doing here, Gold? Talk to me nice, Gold. Come on now. What's the NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ is just resting right here. Still resting. If this was past 930, like, I probably would set the buy stop below this. Like, below this previous 5-minute candle, the previous 5. Set the buy stizzle down there. Yeah, that's around a 40 point play right there. I wouldn't be opposed to that, man. Setting the buy stop. It's just not timing. The timing is crucial. Timing is crucial. Absolutely crucial. Boom, 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 boom. Kamala Harris has chosen her VP pick. Tim Walz. Who the hell is Tim Walz? Tim Walz is the governor of Minnesota, a former high school teacher and football coach. turned seasoned politician. Born in Nebraska in the '64, he's a proud Midwesterner. A proud Midwesterner. That sounds crazy. Who spent 24 years in the Army National Guard. Okay. Becoming governor, he served 6 terms in the U.S. House of Representatives. Known for his One Minnesota agenda, focuses on unity and practical solutions. I like that. As governor, he tackled everything from the pandemic response. Okay. I don't know what makes him. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, at least we now know who her running mate is gonna be. Any of you guys watch Trump's stream last night with Aiden Ross? Anybody watch that stream with Trump last night? Or yesterday at least? Not last night, but yesterday? It was a very interesting conversation, man. Shout out to that boy Aiden. He held himself really well, asked some really good questions. But now that Kamala family has chosen her VP, like now you guys really gotta. Now we're gonna see a lot of just shit talking back and forth. Watch. Holy moly. Alright, let me see what else we got here. Victoria, we appreciate you. No, I appreciate you, Vicky. I'm sorry if you don't like the word Vicky. I know some women don't like called Vicky, so I apologize. Victoria, I appreciate you. T-Patton in the building. What's going on, T-Patton? I appreciate you as well. Anyone going to Invest Fest? That's a good question. I wish I could. I was supposed to, but now I have literally a vacation I'm already going on at that same time. So, unfortunately, I will be in the middle of the Caribbean or one of these oceans. Let's see. Dinner last night was $200 alone, so made that back. That's what I'm saying, bro. It's mad expensive. I'm about to be golfing heavy. That got 4 different courses, so I'll be drinking real good after the stream. Let's go. Come on now. Facebook story gonna be lit. Stay woke. Exactly. I'm gonna be real and stay woke. You know what's crazy, bro? Like to stay woke, I'm known for saying stay woke, alright? Like that's like my favorite, one of my favorite things to say. I've been saying it for years. Stay woke. Stay woke. But boy, there was a video yesterday from Kamala Harris of her saying stay woke at some type of press conference. And boy, it just like it was super cringe, bro. This is not even like I think anybody's gonna think that this is. Let me see if I can find this damn interview now, bro. Because now I can't say stay woke no more, bro. And I think you might not want to say stay woke neither. So let me get this clip real quick. Where'd it go? Just like threw me off, bro. Like, come on. Like, you have to ruin my stay woke, bro. Been saying that for like 6 years. Now you're trying to cater to the younger community? Oh, let me see. I gotta find this clip, boy. This is wild. It's just it was trending like crazy yesterday. Oh, here it is. Look at this.
You know,
this was from yesterday, literally from yesterday at some conference that she was doing. Boy, it just like threw me off, bro. Like now I don't even feel comfortable saying stay woke, bro. Like, look at this.
You know, we have to stay woke. Like everybody needs to be woke. And you can talk about if you're the wokest or woker, but just stay more woke than less woke. Yeah. You know,
what does that even mean, bro?
Woke.
What does that even mean?
Everybody needs to be woke.
Look at her face. Look at her face. She's like, what is she even talking about right now?
And you can talk about if you're the wokest or woker.
Wokest? All right, family. Who's the wokest and who's the woker in the chat? Who's the wokest and who's the woker? Talk to me nice. Stay woke. George. Yo, I love your energy, George. No cap. Listen, man, we gonna have people from both sides of the argument here, and I love it, right? Because that's what this is about, man. Like, but that just is, I don't know, bro. That just like the wokest or the woker. Like, what? Like, bro, you should have just said keep it as stay woke. like stay woke. That's it. But I think she's trying to obviously cater to maybe the young crowd. I don't know. That just was super cringe. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see. I'm not training right now, but oil went crazy while I was on Warzone this morning. Damn, you woke up and went straight to a Warzone, my brother? What time you be on Warzone in the morning, bro? I might get crazy with you after my runs in the morning. Let's see, they really be trying to get her in hard, one of the biggest in history she is. I mean, listen, I spoke about this the other day, right? I'm not gonna disrespect Kamala by calling her names or any. I did that earlier last week, and I apologize for it. Because at the end of the day, the woman is, whether, no matter how you feel, she got this position, right? Was it ethical? Probably not. Did the party of democracy actually go through a voting system for this? That's debatable. But still, the woman is still super accomplished, right? She has done a lot of things that have never been done before, right? So we got to give her credit for that. Do I still want her as president? Hell nah. But I can still show love, man, and acknowledge her accomplishments as well. So I'm not going to call her a scam. Let's see, now that you have the propagandized version, you got to go look up his actual record. You're talking about that previous guy? I mean, I just went off, obviously, you got to be very careful with what you read. Obviously, depending on who you're reading, is definitely going to be tailored to one way or another. But yeah, I never heard of that governor at all. But I will do my research. That's one thing about me, y'all, right? My curiosity is through the roof, right? So I don't know who he is. All I can know is based off of headlines, but I will look into him for sure. For sure. Absolutely. Let's see, literally idiocracy in real life. Big L. Look at everybody just looking at her. It was just weird, bro. It was just, that whole segment was just weird, bro. Urban Dictionary, that thing. I mean, I know what stay woke means, but it's just weird. Let's see, that's awkward. No, no way she ruined stay woke. Bro, I swear, bro. I see that yesterday. I'm like, damn. I don't know. It was just super cringe. Let's see, stay sleep. They woke, not awake. Stay woke. She should have just. It would have been better if she just said like, "Yeah, y'all gotta stay woke." I'd be like, "Oh, okay. Stay woke to what? Like what? Like what you about to tell us?" But then she went like, "I don't know who's the wokest or the woker." I'm like, bro, that's like just taking the joke too far at that point. 3 a.m. Damn, bro. Oh, you be playing Warzone during London session? Sheesh. Staying woke just a political move? Hey, man. Some will argue that. Kamala the OG Hawk Tua girl? Yeah, I seen people running with that. But hey, man, it is what it is. It is what it is, man. She really has to have spit game on points. Yo, you guys are crazy. Yo, whether she has the Hawk Tua or not is none of our business. To be honest with y'all. Like, it's none of our business at all. Right? If she used the Hawk Tua to get to the position she is, shit, more power to her. There's girls doing that shit every single day nowadays. The thing about Kamala, I don't know if she was open about it, but at least she was doing it somewhat private. Now there's girls today happily sending their OnlyFans link, happily giving that Hawk Tua to the most random person in the world for a viral clip. So hey, man. Yeah. Yo, you guys are hilarious, bro. How do I apply to write her speeches? Listen, man, that's a good question. That is a great question, to be honest with you. I don't know. W Foreman, talk to me, Sam. I see you in the chat. Good morning, Sam Dollars. I see you, man. But what we talking about, W, bro? What are you looking at? W Foreman, what W you looking at? Let's see. I love how even though you have your perspective, you do stay open to different. You know what's crazy, George? You're a big reason why, George, believe it or not, bro, why I'm now not going to try to violate her, right? Because I made the post last week that you commented on, George, and your perspective is what made me really, like, check myself, right? So, George, I appreciate you, man. No cat, because you was like, bro, listen, man, whether how you like her or not, let's not discredit her accomplishments, right? And that's when I did my research. Like, I swear to everything I love, George. Right, the moment you commented on that Facebook post and you were like, bro, let's not get carried away. Let's not discredit her. I went and actually looked up her accomplishments because I didn't know what her accomplishments were. Right, so I was very ignorant talking without actually doing my research. And that's one shit I never try to do. right? So I had to check myself. I had to do a little research, and I realized that this woman has accomplished a lot. But that still don't change my opinion. I don't think she'll be a good president. You know what I'm saying? So I always try to be. I try to always look at things from every perspective, right? That's my thing. I'm very big on that, no matter what it is, right? I always need to see. I try my best to see every side of the argument. Am I always perfect at it? No, hell nah. I'm human. But does that time help me out? Sure, for sure. Right, for sure. So, but yeah, George, that's on you, bro. I appreciate you low key checking me in that Facebook post. No cap. That's what I need, man. We need people that we need to hold ourselves accountable. But we also need people around us that can also check us when we're doing shit that just doesn't make sense or doesn't help the brand. All right, if I'm trying to really build the brand, I still have to speak my mind. Cause I can speak my mind while still being respectful to somebody that disagrees at the end of the day. So, let's see, snipe the low at the open, then head up to the upside. We'll see. Bill Clinton did it first. OG OnlyFans creator. Yo, shout out to Bill, man. Yeah, OG Bill, man. Bill definitely did. Bill's definitely one of the first for sure. That's why I question if I want to get married. Hey, man. If you don't hawk to her, I don't want to talk to you. Yeah, I see. That was going viral, that little saying. If she don't hawk to her, I don't want to talk to you. I'm going to be honest, though. I stand by that statement. I'm not even going to lie. If she don't hawk to her, what are we even talking about, shorty? But let's change the topic. Right? We shouldn't be talking about no hawk to us when we have a lot of beautiful, respectful women in the chat that probably do not like that type of talk. So, fellas, come on, man. let's be a little bit. I mean, we could joke. Let's, you know what I'm saying? If it starts to offend people, let's chill. I gotta try to be the mediator. You guys know the vibes. But let's see what we got here, fam. Let's get back to trading, man. So gold fell hard. I mean, it's trying to push back up now. Let's see how this continues to play out. US 30 is still dropping here. Still dropping. The NASDAQ is still chilling right now. Again, I would assume that these things do probably continue lower until proven otherwise. Obviously, proven otherwise for me would be a sweep of the low and then a rebound back within the range, or just this thing going back above our moving averages. That would be interesting for the S&P, and similar going to be the NASDAQ, right? I'm not opposed to the longs, but I have to be able to look for the main or a good area to do it. A good area to buy, in my opinion, will be below this low, and then we move to the upside, or we just break structure, correct, and then we go ahead and we get that move. So that's what, if we are going to go bullish, that's what I would assume. I'm not expecting bullishness for now, right? I think there's still a very good chance that we continue to just roll over to the downside. So we are 10 minutes out though from the open. 10 minutes out from the open. We'll see what happens here in about 10 minutes, and then we'll go from there, man. Let's see. Let's see. I can truly respect that, bro. The country needs more of that. Oh yeah, absolutely, bro. That's me though. I've always been like that. Try to look at more sides than just one. Good morning, family. What's the word, Devin? Appreciate you, my brother. What's the word? Good to see you in the chat. Yo, Devin, do you still have the same number? 'Cause I gotta text you real quick. Let me see. I think you should still probably still have the same number, huh? Yeah, text me. Text me, brother. What's up, brother? Definitely. All right, let's see what else we got here. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Remo working my bad. 5-minute time frame NQW foam in. Oh yeah, we'll see. I see what you're looking at now. Yeah, I'm not opposed to the W, man, but I need this W to create a fresh low and then shift. Like, I'm not a fan of the W's that create these equal lows, bro. I'm really not. So I'm okay with the W. I just want this to break the low first and then shift to the upside and then give us the move. We'll see how this plays out, though. I think either way the markets move, it may be strong due to liquidity buildup. It definitely could very be for sure. All right, we gotta see, man. I mean, we did have a very aggressive move to start the week, though. All right, we had a very aggressive move to start the week, so that could have maybe taken away some of the volatility, but you never know, man. These markets are on edge. All right, these markets are on edge, and the reason why they're on edge is just because there's so much tension in the world. I think the market really went crazy, not just because of Japan and what happened with Japan and the carry trade that we watched yesterday. Shout out to you guys also that was on stream with me, and we watched that stream yesterday. It was pretty dope, or not the stream, but the video yesterday. We actually watched a couple, right? We watched the one with Japan, or what's happening with Japan, and which was like one of the catalysts to cause a massive sell-off that we had over the past couple days. But then we also looked at another video, right? Which president will be better, Republican or Democrat, right? So we actually watched a couple of videos yesterday on stream. That was pretty cool and pretty insightful, man. So let's see. I just wrote you on. Not sure if I got the right ones. I'm pretty sure you don't have a green bubble. Hell nah. You'll never see me with a green bubble. Shout out to all my iPhone folks in the building. Any of y'all that still got an Android, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm not even gonna go there. But shout out to all y'all, man. But let me see. I don't know if you still have. I'm gonna text the number that I got, Devin. It's probably the wrong one. I'm probably gonna be texting some random person, but. Oh yeah, now this is coming up as an Android as well. You don't got no green bubble neither, huh, Dev? Because yours, the number I got for you is definitely coming up as a green bubble. Let me see. Yeah, you got my right numbers. You got the right numbers. That top one. The top one is my main one. Yeah, that top one is my main number, Devin. The 518 one. I just gotta tell you something real quick. That's all. Actually, I'll just write it on Instagram. Yeah, I just wrote you, Devin. Hey. Let's see what I get here. Hey, is that you, Devin? It is you. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna store this number as well, bro. I'm gonna store this number. All right, cool. We locked in. I got you. We locked in. All right, let's see what we got here now, fam. We are about 5 minutes out from the open here. 5 minutes out from the open. Let's lock in, Shrimp. Let's lock in. Let's see. Team Galaxy S Series, what's up? Nah, you got it, Sam. I don't want no problems. I don't want no smoke. Man. I see the 3-minute trigger line, but I'm still waiting for the open. I see it. I'm still waiting for the open. Now that we get the open though in 5 minutes though, see, this is the cool thing, right? Now that if we do close above the trigger line on the 5 minute, that would be nice, right? Close above, and then give us that bearish closer, and then we sell the hell out of this. That would be cool. That would be super nice. We'll see how that plays out though. Yeah. I see I'm about to upgrade from the Fold 3 to the Fold 6. See, I don't even know what any of that is. I just know it's a phone. Let me see what you Android heads are using today. What do you Android heads using today, man? What the hell is the Fold 3? Oh no, this looks sick. I'm not even gonna lie. The hell? This thing turns into like a mini tablet? Nah, a phone that turns into a tablet is crazy. That opens up into a tablet is nuts. What? You said the Fold 6 is the new one? That was the Fold 6. Oh, nah, even bigger? Oh, yeah, this is crazy. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hold on now. I might have to get a green bubble. I might have to get the green bubble. Sheesh. Nah, that's crazy. You guys could tell I'm not an Android head at all. I never seen that. I mean, I seen the phone, but I didn't know what it was. Man. All right, let's see what we got here, man. I like the support holdings. Swipe the low, leave the wick, then fly up. Hey, that would be beautiful. Shoot, I would like that too. Is the Apple, Android both give up your data to third parties? Yeah, you ain't lying about that. How about this one, right? How about the Solana phone? How about the Solana phone? Because there's actually a Solana phone. I wonder what they use here for Solana. Like, what is the operating system for this? It's definitely not Apple. It's probably going to be Android. Yeah, in an Android build environment. Oh man, I was hoping it was something different. I was hoping it wasn't Android or iPhone and it was some crypto type of stuff. But this is some shit that I would get. If I'm not gonna be an iPhone person, which is probably never gonna happen, I'm heavy Apple. Like I have 2 Apple iPhones right here. I have another one that my daughter uses. My whole family has Apple iPhones. I have 3 Apple Watches. I have 2 Apple MacBooks. Boy, the only thing I'm missing is Apple stock. Like, and I'll be an Apple fanboy to the death of me. I don't know why I don't have Apple stock, to be honest with you. But if I wasn't gonna be Apple, I'll probably get this bad boy just because I'm heavy on Solana. Heavy Solana fan. Absolutely. They're just not coming out until next year. Man. But yeah, I would definitely grab this. This will be pretty sick. All right, let's see what we got here, family. We're about 1 minute out. 1 minute out from the open. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. I made a great trade yesterday. Got in it long at 50K. Been made 1,300. The boy JJ. Come on now. Come on now, JJ. Talk to us nice. Let's go. Let's go. Juice said I want that foldable but with iOS facts. He said I'm still on the S8. Man. Holy moly. Let's see. Android is, however, at cutting edge while Apple follows later. Hey, man. Great when you're traveling and you need to secretly trade. That's what I'm saying. Like, I like the fact that thing opens up into like a little tablet. That's pretty cool. Let's see. If it ain't Apple, I don't want it. That's how I am, bro. I'm just so used to Apple. So stuck on Apple. I can't deal with anything else. It irritates me. Like, I legit can't. Like, I'm sorry, family, but if you text me from an Android, you might as well hit me up on Discord or something. On Telegram. That doesn't show the green buttons. The green bubbles. All right, but let's see what we got here, family. We do got the open here. We do got the open. Hey, we got another 3-minute line, trigger line here. See, this 3-minute trigger line is a lot better than the previous one because it officially tapped into the fair value gap, bounced off the 50, closed back below, took out previous candle high, closed back below. Didn't close below previous low, though, which is typically what I want, but this don't look too bad. We're going to see. We're going to see how we play it out here, family. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get, baby. Let's see. This is why I don't play the first 5 minutes. The first 5 minutes is crazy. What you could do, though, now that we have retested back to the high, setting the sell stop below the current candle is probably not a bad idea. Sell stop below current candle is probably not a bad idea because if this does flip back bearish, it's probably going to drop hard. Damn, that's a big stop. We're going to have to go full contracts on this. Yeah, I'm going to set the sell stop for now. I'm going to set it, but again, I really hope it don't trigger till after. Actually, I don't care. We'll see. I got the sell stop set, fam. I want to see how this plays off here. Because, again, I think if we do fall, I think right? If you guys realize, family, as we've been trading, like on average, my losses are probably like around $300-400, right? So we've been really good at managing our risk while trading this specific prop firm account here, right? So we've been crushing it, man. I'm proud of us. I'm proud of us on our growth and how we've been being disciplined. You know what it is? Now that I think about it, right? Because now literally all I see on my Twitter feed is like legit, just like, look at this. You guys want to see my Twitter now? Now that Kamala announced a running mate, like, look at this. All I'm gonna see now, and be careful, family. I mean, again, I apologize if there's anything crazy that you guys do see here. Twitter is the wild, wild west, right? So there's some crazy stuff that you see out here, right? But look at this. Shout out to Vivek, man. Honestly, this guy right here is the reason why I'm more into politics now. Shout out to my guy Vivek, absolute savage. But let's see what Twitter is saying. Harris Walt's most left-wing ticket in American history. And again, please, somebody, if you guys do have anything that goes against what we read here, let me know, man. I want to make sure we get everything in check, right? So, Mike, I know you had said, I know that you had said to look at the real thing about Walt. So definitely let me know, bro. If there's anything you could send me so I can really do my research, that'll be pretty cool. But as of now, we're gonna have to go off with Twitter and see what Twitter says, man. Let's see. Minnesota was ground zero for the BLM riots of 2020. Absolutely. It was. Then Walt sat by and let Minneapolis burn. Let's see. Look at this. And this is literally just fresh. Like, show 35. Let's see. I promise you, it's gonna be everything to do with this guy right here. I promise you it is. Look at Tim Waltz. Tim Waltz. Like, bro, I can't get away from him right now. Tim Waltz. And it's from both sides, too. Democratic coalition. So I'm getting both sides. Not just Republican, but I'm able to read both sides of the argument. Tim Waltz, the casino's open. Oh, Tim Waltz, look at this. Tim Waltz. Let's see. I ain't so shorts. Don't do that. Don't do that. Whoever you are, Trader T, don't do that. Actually, I'm gonna write that. Don't do that. Shit, you bugging out. Don't do that. Crazy. I need my Solana to keep pushing. Don't do that. Let's see, man charged with threatening to kill Kamala. Sheesh, see, that I would never agree with, bro. Like, can we, like, not just, like, go through this debate without any craziness? Like, we live in a simulation. Welcome to the race, Tim Waltz. Let's make sure America knows who you are. Obviously, Charlie Kirk is very much Republican. You might even say he's far right, on the far right. Yeah, I'm not going to read all that right now. 401k under Trump versus the 401k under Harris. Nah, that's hilarious. Did I get a good morning? Hell no, I got a wife. Leave me alone. You're bugging. You ain't gonna get me in trouble. Yeah, look, it's all straight about this guy, right? So that's what you're gonna see all over your headlines today. All right, let's see what we got here. Man, look at this. NASDAQ with the push back up. What are you trying to do, Nasty Nas? See, now if you come all the way back down, I definitely want to be involved. But now this is showing someone's trying to show some bullishness here, man. It's trying to show some bullishness. I still got my sell stop set though, family, as you guys can see here on the screen. I got my sell stop set. Again, I'm still very much okay with if this bullish, if this does go higher, it's cool. It is what it is. But I personally want to see us fall first. So we gonna see what we get. This is 6-4 Bulldog. What's that song? That's a man, these markets are super volatile. No wonder why I can't throw 10 contracts. Look at this, is 20 points right here. Look how close 20 points is from where our entry will be. What? We can grab 20 points like nothing. That's how crazy these markets have been swinging in the volatility, where 20 points is this close now. Yeesh. Because you guys know the process, family. We targeted 20 points, we close some partials, and then we let the remainder ride. So we'll see if this plays out for us. 20 point tape. Hey. Yeah, come back down. Come back down. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Come on, hit us in. Hit us in and start dropping. Come on. Come on, hit us in and start dropping. You're right there. There you go. There you go. Now drop. Don't push back up. Please don't push back up. Do not wick us back up. Just keep dropping for us. Come on, baby. I got faith in you. We don't need this. Actually, I want to keep that up so I can document this trade. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep going. No. You don't got to do all that. Actually, I wouldn't mind. It is what it is. We in this already, though, family. We are officially in this position. Come on, 20 points. 20 points. Yeah. Yeah. Family, we did hit our 20-point T-Pizzle. Come on now. I'm just going to close a partial. I'm not going to close the whole thing, though. I'm not going to close. I'm going to close 2 contracts here. We did secure 2 contracts there. About it was maybe like $100 just secured there real quick. But I am going to hold the remainder of this at break even. And now hopefully these last 2 contracts just drop, bro. Like, don't give us... Come on, like, don't pull back up for us. Please don't. Just drop. It's okay. It's okay. You don't got to pull back up. We ain't going to be mad if you just drop. Promise you we ain't. But we did secure 20 points, family. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, so some of our position did get hit at break even, but now it turned into a buy. What in the world is going on here? Yeah, we did technically get hit at break even. Man. Hey, man, we're going to take that, whatever it is. I mean, we're going to take what the market gives us. Let me see what we got here. Let me just triple check what the hell we even just made. I think I only made like $150. But look at this market whiplashing. This is why I go break even now at 20 points, because you just never know what the hell's going to happen. It does cause me to lose, to miss out on a bunch of big trades, but this has improved our accuracy tremendously. So it's another $120. Small trades, man, but we gonna take it. We gotta take what the market gives us, man. Small trades, really not getting these runners to run. We haven't had that many runners that ran, bro. Like, that's been the issue. Like, the runners are just not running. But it's all good. We got our 20 points. Let me go ahead and set this up real quick, and then we're gonna look for another setup. But we're not gonna be done off of just that. All right, let me see. What was the setup itself? Let me get back to the... Come on. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There we go. All right, so if this was the setup, $145. That's why I couldn't throw so many contracts, bro. I had to have a much bigger stop loss there. 75-point stop is crazy. We only ended up grabbing 21 for 124. 124.76 to be exact. Oh, man. Excited. Place the sell stop. Play the open and put a sell stop below the previous 5-minute low. My emotions, it is what it is. Is that even an emotion? Probably not. But that's my emotion right now. It is what it is. After trade. Trade was quick. In and out. Alright, we're gonna leave it at that. Now this thing is running again. Now we running. I'm telling you, this thing is probably continue to drop. But why you have to pull back, bro? Why you have to pull back? Alright, we're still here though, family. Right, again, another pullback, man. I'm gonna set another buy, another sell stop if we can pull back once again. If we can get another pullback here, I'm gonna set another sell stop, and we're gonna continue to ride these shorts. Because like I told you, it just makes, in my opinion, it just makes a lot more sense just to take out these lows before anything else. So I want to see how this does continue to play out here. Let me check the rest of this. S&P is also trying to fall. I mean, at this level now, this could be an area now that we are testing support. I mean, we could bounce off here. You never know, but Let's see, US 30. US 30 and fresh liquidity. Took out the support. Bounced back up above the range. Yeah, see, now setting like a buy stop above here might not be a bad play for US 30. Are we actually going to drive here? This is kind of going against the moving averages though, but we did get a liquidity grab. We did get this sweep of liquidity here, internal range liquidity. Could this produce a move higher? What's the lower time frames doing? I mean, technically it could. I mean, 20 points is so easy to grab. $77. Yeah, 20 points is like, this is not making no sense. Hold on, let me check what you guys talking about in the chat, family. Let me see what you guys talk about in the chat real quick. And then we'll get back to this. Could you explain how the contracts work on futures? What's going on, Dom? Good to see you in the chat, man. I mean, contracts are similar to lot sizes, right? Each contract, depending on the asset that you're trading, is valued at a certain amount. You know, so gold, one micro or mini contract for gold is going to be different than one micro or mini contract to NASDAQ 100, right? The value of those contracts are different based on the actual asset that you are trading, right? But you leverage that to, and once you understand that, then you can actually understand how much contracts you got to throw. But it's similar to lot size, right? There's not that many differences, right? Lot size is also paid out a certain amount based on the currency you're trading. Let's see, took a quick buy on Nas and got 450. Kyrie with the quick bag. Let's go. Let's see, that Little Wayne and Rick Ross. Is that where that song come from? Fofo Bulldog. Hold on, now I want to listen to that. Hold on. Fofo Bulldog. What was that song? I gotta find that song. Oh, it's John. Okay, John. Yeah, we gotta play that. I'm gonna get copyrighted, but I need to play that. I need to listen to that. That song is so tough. Damn, this is from 2011. Oh yeah, nah, I remember this song now. Oh yeah, I remember this song now. I probably know all the lyrics too. Oh yeah, nah, this song is so fire. Oh my god, I forgot about this song, bro. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Pointed at you and tell that motherfucker fetch. Oh my god, this song is a classic. She let me call her collect, but if she get greedy, I'ma stall for the debt. Top down, it's upset. Been fucking the world and nigga, I ain't come yet. You fuck with me wrong, I knock your head off your neck. The flight too long, I got a bed on a jet. The guns are drawn and I ain't talking about a sketch. I pay these niggas with a reality check. Prepared for the worst, but still praying for the best. This game is a bitch. I got my hand up addressed. Nah, that song is crazy. Let's see, yo, family, quick question, man. Quick question, right? My daughter is playing volleyball. Has any of y'all ever played volleyball before? Any volleyball folks in the chat? Let me know. I need some advice. He said, I got a chopper in the car. Both the choppers like it's December 31st. Roll up and cook it and hit it where it hurts. If I died today, remember me like John Lemon. Nah, this song is wild. Nah, that song is wild. Oh my god, this whole album was crazy, bro. The Carter 4 was absolutely insane, bro. Holy moly. Nah, this really might have been one of the greatest albums of all time. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got here. Selecting Tim Waltz is kind of wild after all that crazy that happened in Minnesota. That is kind of crazy. Let's see. Bro, is we working 8 hours for that 150? That's a fact. Stay woke or woke. Woke is nah. You're funny as hell, Drew. When you close out part, you have to modify your stops to new open positions. Otherwise, you'll get partial reversal. That's what I seen. I don't know why I just did that. Let's see. Anyone ever had a problem where you make profit but you lost money instead? I don't even know how that makes sense, but nah, I never had that issue. Got an extra 500 riding Nas down. Come on, Kyrie. Let's go. Secured 600 on the dip. Come on, Ninja. Let's go. Y'all eating. Let's go. You guys are going crazy, man. Let's see. Secured 500 on Nas, too. Holy moly. You guys are going nuts. Come on now. You guys are going nuts. Let me see. Melissa. Oh yeah, Mel played volleyball. Yeah, yo, Drew. Ask Mel what are the best knee pads and elbow pads to get if you don't mind, bro, or anybody, because my daughter has. It's not tryouts, but it's like preparing for tryouts this entire week, and she needs knee pads and elbow pads. So ask Mel what brand does she got. Yeah, Mel run trophies and all that. I think she even played like collegiate. I don't know. Yeah. He said that's how I met her. He's singing Drew. I told some 400-pound dude I'm gonna marry her during her game. he told some 400-pound dude he was gonna marry her. Hey man, that's 400 pounds. He could have sat on you, boy. You tripping. You gotta pick your battles, bro. Oh, he wasn't going for her neither. All right, cool. Worked though. Look at that. Now y'all damn near basically married. Let's see. Buying on ES after lows swept in price. I'm not opposed to that. Again, I wanted just to see the sweep of these lows, this little internal range structure low, and now that we got that, we got to see what happens next on Nasdaq and S&P. These could continue to just drop, or they might find some demand down here within this fresh liquidity area. So we'll see how that happens. Let's see. My little sister plays in this crazy Austin. Let me know what brand. If you can get the brand that she wears, bro, let me know. We need that. We need that. We need that.
Or like what store?
Or what store you? I mean, you probably go to like Dick's probably.
I looked at Dick's, but all it has is Nike. They don't sell it as like a set. I don't know if that's what they sell it as.
Got you. No, that's good. How do you know which contract month code to use on futures? That's a great question, actually, right? And I actually be confused about that. I actually have this sheet that helps me out with that. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Let me see if I can find. I have an actual cheat for that. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This is your answer right here, the month codes. Right, so Esteban. Take a screenshot. Matter of fact, I'll just send this shit in the chat. I got you. Alright, so that is going to be the code that you want to look at, right, for futures. And make sure you're on the right contract or you're not going to be able to place a trade. Let's see what else we got here. TJ in the building. What's the word, TJ? Appreciate you. Let's get it. Let's see. Banked 835. Holy moly, you guys are eating. How y'all always making more money than me, bro? Like, I'm starting to feel away. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. Yo, you know what we gotta do, babe? Yo, Drew, you know what we have to do, actually? We gotta bring my daughter to Mel and have Mel train her. That'll be fire. Nah, no cap. No cap. We need that. Shoot. I need Mel to train her. I'll pay Mel. We'll pay her with some food. D3 legend. We need that. No cap. Shout out to my sister, Mel, man. My ex is Mel, and we're roommates now. Yo, JJ, you're hilarious, bro. If a guy's 400 pounds, he's only a threat if he can catch you. That's a fact. Let's see what we got here. Can you explain how contracts work for futures? I mean, contracts are, again, is literally what it sounds like, right? It is an agreement for you to buy and sell the asset that you're buying at some given date in the future, right? That's literally what it is. So when you do one contract is worth a certain value based on what you're looking at, right? So, but those contracts are legit, literally actual contracts, like legal binding contracts that you are making the decision to buy and sell this asset at a specific time and a specific date. That's all a contract is, and the value of that contract is going to differ depending on what you're actually trading. So that's essentially how contracts work, man. You just use the contracts to buy into that position, you sell it whenever you want. Let's see, I'm doing blessed, TJ. Good to see you in the chat, man. Let's see, May 20, a win is a win. Hey, we gonna take that 20, baby. Come on now. We gonna take that 20. She said, pay me in Bitcoin. Nah. Sis has learned over the years. She know what time it is. She's like, I don't want no damn food. Give me that Bitcoin. What you talking about? No, that's hilarious. That is hilarious. Come on now. My boy T-Fin. Yeah, I'm playing this whole Carter 5 now. I'm definitely getting copyrighted. There's no way in hell I'm not. But it's all good. Once I play one song that gets me copyrighted, family, I'm open to playing every song that's going to get me copyrighted, because it doesn't matter at this point. So if you guys do have any recommendations that you guys want to bump to, let me know, man. We can get crazy. All right, the NASDAQ is looking solid, man. It's trying to push up now. Again, I really just wanted to see how we react. Remember what I told y'all? Right? If I was going bullish, I needed to see this exact thing. Sweep the low, and then shift to the upside. We ain't shift just yet, right? But if we take out this high line right here then that, in my opinion, that's gonna be shifting. So then we'll go ahead and look for the longs at that point. So we'll see how this plays out here. We're seeing exactly what I wanted to see, though. There's still a chance that this does continue to drop. You know what I'm saying? So even setting another sell stop below current candle, probably not a bad idea neither. If in case it does turn back around and starts to drop. Yeah, this might not be a bad play. Oh my God, this is a banger. Shout out to Corey Guns, man. Vodka with a spritzer, swagger down pack. Call my shit Patricia, Young Money Militia, and I am the commissioner. Because the F is for finisher. Word without enigma. At the same time, synchronized swimmers. Got the girl twisted cause she open when you twist her. Never met the chick, but I messed her like I missed her. Life is a... Nah, this is crazy. This is classic Wayne, boy. Nah, this song right here is one of my favorites. This song is one of my favorites by Weezy. Come on, Weezy. Turn up, man. Turn up, Weezy. Turn up, Weezy. My boy T-Pen, yeah, we was definitely you said Bartender. Bartender was a classic. Jose, if you want to listen to Bartender, Jose, we'll listen to Bartender. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me know. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, go off, Abel, go off. US 31. So what's US 30 doing? Oh, it did pop up. Okay. Yeah, see, same. Damn, bro. Didn't I tell y'all this looks solid? We should have just set the buy stop above, man. We should have set the buy stop above here like I wanted to. Cause this thing is up crazy. Yeah, this is going crazy. NASDAQ is probably gonna do the same thing now. These things are probably gonna run here to the upside. Let's wait for this shift. This is cool, family. We don't need to chase this, right? There's gonna be a pullback, right? Even if it's a small one, let this thing move. Wait for that pullback to the moving averages, and then we go ahead and take involved. Let's be patient here. We're not gonna rush this. We already made one trade, already caught 20 points. I'm up $100, baby. Let's go. We'll take the $100. That's paying for something. It's paying some, Bill. I'm showing. I don't give a lovely mother junker with my money growing. Oh No matter where you're going, you don't need a bus pass. You bus your. Oh my God, this song is a banger, bro. All right, let's see what we got here. Be nice if we can close above the 50 MA on the 15 to go long. Let me see which one you're looking at. You looking at the Nasdaq or what are you looking at, Ninja? Talk to me nice. US 30, Nasdaq, the S&P. Are we talking about gold? Gold is still just chilling down here, man. Gold really isn't doing much. It looks like it might want to just continue to drop here. We'll see how that continues to play out. The Nas, yeah, this might not be a bad play. The only thing about it is just the moving average structure, right? The fact that the 13 is below the 50. That's a little concerning because then things like this could happen, right? Where we still close above it, but then still fall. If the moving averages were shifted and the 13 was above the 50, then yeah, that would have been absolute money. But we'll see. It could still probably give that play, especially after sweeping internal range liquidity. Why not? Let's make sure that it's beautiful. Life on edge. I'm dangling my feet, but attention paid me. Locks went off on that, that one. Absolutely, went crazy. The great part about this is the education. I can see plays and be confident to speak on there and take the play. Let's go, Sam. Only problem now is I'm not trading right now, so it's a misplay. Hey, listen, you're gaining experience, bro. You're gaining experience. You're putting in the chart time, right? Whether you actually have an account right now or not funded, it don't matter. You're putting in the time, bro, and it's the best thing you can do. You know what I'm saying? So big kudos to you, bro. I see Ram in a gold buy. Hey, man. Hopefully the gold does go for you. Hopefully gold runs for you. Yeah, man, maybe she will. Do this, brother. It's in the hood and game right now. She will. She will. She will. Can't go wrong with T-Pain. You can never go wrong with T-Pain. That's a fact. That's true, an option. Yeah, you can literally paper trade right here on TradingView, family. Like, if you ain't know, like, you can go right to TradingView and they'll give you a paper trading account. Literally. Haha. Let me show y'all. Right, you guys can come here. Right, if you guys know TradingView, just swipe up from the bottom, click on paper trading, connect, and then you'll have a nice little 100K account that you could paper trade. Right, so there's still opportunity for y'all, and especially if you guys are not used to trading futures and used to not leveraging or trading on TradingView, this is a great option, right? Because now I could go ahead and get busy. Let's go ahead and take this trade, right? Again, this is a paper trade, but just so you guys can see how it's done, right? We're gonna go ahead and risk 4,000, right? So you guys can still take the trades via paper trading, absolutely, right? So definitely go ahead and do that for sure. We up a band. Come on now. Raise bears to the bullshit and get us full split. How do I log out of this shit now? Back and tell her, baby, it's real, it's real, it's real. Easily and I could tell how it feels. This song was so lit when it came out, bro. You know the deal. Is he back? So baby, she won't. Yeah, did him again. Maybe she will. All right, what we doing here? Let's see Nasdaq, the S&P. Yeah, these things did close pretty nice to the upside. These things did close. Now, there's two ways that we could approach this, right? Two ways that we can approach this, right? It's either we're still expecting sell side pressure to come in, and you can set the sell stop below here, below the previous 5-minute candle, or that's a 15, right? You can still put it below. Yeah, I would need to put it below the low over here just to be safe. That's one option, right? Just play the sell stop below the lows. In case it drops, it could run for you. Or if you are on the side of bullishness, right? If you believe that we are going to be bullish here for the NASDAQ, especially based on this 15-minute closure that we just got, a buy stop above that is probably not a bad play. Now, your stop is going to be a little kind of tough because this is a pretty wide stop here. Right, if you put your stop below the low, that's pretty wide. I'll probably put it below current candle. But yeah, you know, this could be a play here. You know, if you are expecting bullishness, put the buy stop above the previous candle, right? If it does take out the highs, and hopefully it just continues to run. Now again, we are fighting the moving averages here, which is kind of tough, but that is one way to do it. She will, she will. She will, she will. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Nah, yeah, now it's like it's about to run here now. Let's see what happens here. Got in on ES at 52.30. Let's go. Hopefully that runs for you. Hopefully you will. Oh yeah, 52.30. Holy moly. If you're trading futures pricing, Neil, you're going crazy, Neil. You're definitely trading futures because you said yes. Oh yeah, you're eating right now. Holy moly. Let's go. Big round of applause for you, boy. Go ahead and eat, man. Go ahead and eat. That's what I'm talking about, man. I love seeing you guys win. We've had so many wins today, family. I done pressed this damn clapping button 30 times today. Come on now. Let's go. Floyd made a ban in 0.4 seconds. Even if it was Debo, we gonna take that. Come on now. Let's go. My guy, Take Profit in the building. Got in that gold buy too. $70 away. Come on, Renee. You getting a real round of applause, my brother. Come on, bro. Come on, let's go. Let's go, bro. You know what's crazy though, Renee? No pressure. But that $70 is gonna be the hardest $70 you make in your life. No pressure though, bro. You got this. You're built for this. You've had enough experience in this game. You like 4, 5, 6 years in the game, bro. You got this. Come on, dog. Come on. Let's do it. Definitely don't force it, but you got this. Come on. Big 1003 in the chat. Let's go, Gabriel. I love the fact that you always throw that, Gabriel. Shout out to you, Gabriel, man. Go crazy. Go crazy. All right, let's see what we got here. Let me get some tunes on. Let me get some tunes on. I need to bump some stuff. Let's go ahead and. Oh, remember this song, family? Remember this song? This is our GJ song. Now we don't even play. Now I don't even trade GJ like that. What's GJ doing? This is our GJ song, family. Hey, hey. This song is lit. I'm not gonna lie. This is our GJ song right here, family. I got my dancing shoes. GJ, please don't kill our vibes. Come on, GJ. I might trade GJ today now. I got my dancing shoes. GJ, please don't kill our vibes. I ain't played this song in a minute. Hey, 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 hey. What's these yen pairs doing? They're starting to correct a little bit. They are starting to correct. These yens might be actually falling now. Or at least the yens might be flying. The yen itself might be falling. Yeah, for anybody that is trading Forex right now, family, obviously I still have my Forex account, so I'm definitely looking at GJ right now because I think this is really getting ready to run here. GJ, please don't kill our vibe. Come on, GJ, please don't kill our vibe, GJ. I got my GJ, please don't kill our vibes. Doing legendary shit as always. Facts. I sneeze $70, baby. I'm true to this. Let's go. Take profit. Talk your shit, baby. Come on. GJ, please don't kill our vibe, baby. Come on. Gold is fly. Yeah, gold is moving nicely, man. Come on. Up $100. Let's go, man. Come on. Hey. 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 I just put the stream on there to see if we get more engagement. Where? Threads? You said threads, bro? Like threads? Like the Twitter copycat? Let's see, I'm about to hop off for the day. All right, Austin, definitely enjoy your day, man. Enjoy your vacation, bro, with your fam, man. You deserve it, my brother. Come on now. Bitcoin going crazy? Hopefully. Shoot, I need my Solana. Solana at 140. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Solana. Come on now. Keep going for us, baby. Come on. Everybody got scared of you. Now me, I bought back in under 120. Come on. Oh, we up 17% now. Let's go, baby. We don't get fearful over here. While everybody was being scared as hell, starting to get out of the markets, I just waited for the market to find a low and sweep a major level liquidity. Once we swept the 120, I'm like, there's no way we don't. I mean, we could have, but come on, Solana. Don't tell me I got a beautiful freaking entry. Let's go. Keep going for me, daddy. I just called Solana daddy. I did. I don't care how y'all feel. Come on, keep going for me. That was wild mook. Hey, yo. This cool. All right, NASDAQ. What we doing here? What we doing here? Hey, if this does flip back up, this is probably going to drive if it does flip back up here. Only thing that's throwing me off, bro, is like the 15-minute moving averages are still here for the NASDAQ. I mean, we're trading above it on the 5, which is good. Talking weekly, I could tell she by how she treat me. Daddy, he ain't on none. I make him stole run. Nah, this song is too much for y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, family. This song is a little too much for y'all. See, this song right here is fire, though. This is the type of vibe I'm on right now. Type of vibe I'm on right now, no cap. One love. One life.
Let's live it right.
Good energy. I don't need no negativity around me. Talk about it. High frequency. The high G-O-D. Yeah. Good energy. I don't need no negativity around me. Now this song is a banger. Oh, look at the NASDAQ run here. Look at the NASDAQ running. NASDAQ is trying to run here. Yeah. Yo, gold is still trying to push here. One life, one life. Yeah, US 30 is moving. My goodness. We should have just set the buy stop above that, boy. This thing is up 260 points. Sheesh. Beautiful setup though. Swept the lows, shifted back up. He said, born in the dark, but I chose to be the light. That's a bar. Hold on. That's a bar. He said, born in the dark, but I chose to be the light. Look at me funny, I'll cut out your evil eye. Sheesh. Road to redemption, I'm catching them green lights. Spread out my rings, I'm catching them free flights. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Telling y'all, family, anybody negative around you, man, just play this song. I promise you. Any negativity around you, just play them this song. Like, yo, this is what this type of vibe I'm on, bro. If you ain't on this vibe, bro, get away from me, bro. Hey, hey. Come on. JJ up 500. Come on, JJ, go crazy, man. Come on. Thinking of purchasing my 50K Apex funding account this week. Any recommendations on how many to buy? I mean, that's totally up to you. You know, it's totally up to you. I mean, the fact that they are so cheap, you know, the fact that you can get a 50K for like 30-40 bucks is definitely a positive. So I mean, it's definitely up to you though. You know, I personally got a shit ton, right? You know, 2 of them are copy traded. I have 1 group copy traded over here, and I have another group of accounts copy traded over here. All right, but it's totally up to you. However much you can afford. If you want to go crazy and try to get $1 million plus worth of capital, and get all 20, right? You can get up to 20. 20 times 50K. That's $1 million, right? So if you want to go straight to $1 million worth of capital, hey, get that 20, right? That'll probably cost you like $3,000-4,000 though. Hold on, let me see how much. If it's let's just say $40 an account, it'll be $800 actually. That's not much. At $800 to get 20 accounts, bro. Sheesh, to get $1 million worth of capital, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. So yeah, Esteban, it's totally up to you, man. Whatever you feel like is whatever you're comfortable with, man. We got Kevin in the house. What's the word, Kevin? Appreciate you for being here, man. Let's see what we got here. Yo, you know what's crazy? Vibes could tell. Shout out to my guy Vibes. I don't know. Man, if you guys don't know who Vibes is, you guys are freaking crazy. Right? Shout out to Vibes Cartel. He is officially home. Man's got out of prison. Let's go. And because of that, I immediately made myself a nice little Vibes Cartel playlist, which I kind of added a lot of dancehall, Afrobeat type stuff. But look at these bangers, family. Tell me these songs I'm about to play don't make you want to actually stand up and start dancing. Like if you ever was a clubbing type, hip hop, R&B, reggae, you know these songs for sure. Oh my God. Up and down like a yo-yo. Shout out to Vibes, man. Go, wine. Yeah, y'all don't know about this song right here. Y'all don't know about this music right here, family. I promise y'all. This brings me back to the clubbing days. We used to be in the club every day to this. Y'all don't know about this, man. My Caribbean folks know this shit. Hell yeah. Mel's week. Yo, Drew, what you need to do is grab your lady and start dancing to this song, bro. Show them what's up, bro. Show these women what's up, bro. Big up Vibes, right? Down like a yo-yo. Yo, I got a whole playlist with this. No cap. He said we do that with no music. Go crazy, bro. There we go. The world boss. Absolutely. Shout out to you, Janoy. Come on down. I got a whole playlist. No cap. He said, are you paying monthly for each account? Yeah, I am actually. Believe it or not. I am paying monthly for each one of those accounts. But I have 10. I only have 10 accounts right now. I have 10 Apex accounts. 2 of them are funded. 3 of them are, no, 4 of them are actually funded. The other half are not. 6 are not funded. Right? All the fundeds are grouped together. All the ones that are not funded are not grouped together. Are also grouped together. But yeah, you do got to pay monthly for those for sure. Let's see, can you send a link to the futures platform you use? Yeah, I mean, it's right here. Just go to apx.com. Yeah, just type in ATF, actually. ATF.com. ATF.com. Right here. Where you see $40 on 50K Apex? I mean, look at right here because of this. Up and down like a yo-yo. 3% off evals and 1 day to pass. This is what makes it $40. These promos that Apex is always running. You know what's crazy? I don't think I've ever seen Apex not run a promo. Like, am I tripping? I don't think I've ever seen Apex not run a promo. They're always running promos. Right? But yeah, this is what makes it like $40. Let's see, if you pass, you don't pay monthly, right? If you pass, you have the option. You can still pay monthly to activate the account, or you could pay a one-time lifetime fee. It's either you pay $105 a month or you pay $160 for the lifetime of that account. Most people are gonna say, oh man, it's kind of a no-brainer to go for the lifetime account because it's $160. But the reality is 90% of people are gonna blow their accounts within that first month. That's just a fact. Right? I've blown funded accounts in a week, 2 weeks, right? Because I got too excited. You know, so because of that, I do the monthly because I know I'm gonna probably blow a couple of these accounts because I'm a degenerate. And then I just deal with the ones that are still fasted, that are still alive. So, but it's totally for you though. It's totally up to you. You could choose if you want to pay $160 for the lifetime. pay that, activate it. Or if you want to do 105 a month, that's also an option. Oh nah, this song is crazy. Doggy style, puppy whisper. Fire. Yo, this song is wow vulgar. Power, grab it, Lego, quint, lower, go down, lover, go down, go back. Nah, this song is wow vulgar, bro. They're talking a lot of sexual stuff in this song. Bro. See, I'm not even gonna lie, family. Whenever we do link and we go out and have a fun time, and we go to the club or we just go out and just chill, if this song comes on, I need y'all to mind y'all business because I'm going crazy. Are you bullish? Depends on what you're asking for. Depends on what you're actually looking at. I'm bullish on everything long term, but for now, yeah, I'm chilling. Yeah, so if we go out and any of these songs come on, I need y'all to mind your business and let me do my thing. I just want to make sure we're on the same page. Everything lit. Everything. Said, damn, I'm stuck on Top Step. Top Step is a good option, man. Actually, I prefer Top Step over Apex. Like, I like Apex. I like Top Step the best. I think Top Step is the best futures firm out. Like, I think it is by far. Like, I don't even think there's a comparison, to be honest with you. The only reason why Apex is so attractive is because of how cheap it is and how many accounts you can actually get. That's why Apex is attractive to a lot of traders. Because it's cheap and you can get a shit ton of accounts. I mean, $1 million worth of capital for $800? You're not getting that nowhere else, right? That's crazy. But Top Step, in my opinion, is definitely the better platform as a whole. It's a little bit more expensive. And it's a little bit more expensive. And you're only able to get, I think, up to 5 accounts now or something like that. So, we'll see. Oh, nah, this is we gotta restart this. This is a classic, boy. This is a classic, boy. Wagwan popcorn. Who agrees in selling gold? Let me see. Oh, gold did push back down here. Rejected off the 50. We just got a trigger line entry off the. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look at this smile. Everybody off of y'all. Someone get my clocks. Yeah. I'm about to get me some clocks just because now. Everybody off of y'all. Someone get me clocks. I swear you can make clocks to the girl, clocks to the fair. There's no way you guys are not bumping your head right now or something, bro. There's no way. There's no way y'all are not vibing to this. You have any top steps? I have two top step accounts. Like I said, I have a lot of accounts I'm trying to manage right now. It's kind of crazy. My boy gonna start doing the weed eater move, the Macarena. Top step is the best prop you can have. Yeah, top step is my favorite still. Still only $50. Oh, that's still cheap. That's not that bad. Bitcoin's still going crazy. I hope. Come on. Bring Solana with it. Bring Solana with it. Come on. Let's go, Bitcoin. Rebound for us. Everybody must be one copy the top. Everybody, someone get my clocks. Everybody about to someone give my clocks.
Where you get the new clocks, the daddy? I wish color that body no party.
Yeah.
Are you alone of the style, the daddy? The queen for England, love of yardy. Where you get the new clocks, the daddy? I wish color that body no party.
Yeah.
Are you alone of the style, the daddy? The queen for England, love of yardy. Real bad man, no muggle in a shots. Straight jeans, cut off footpath.
I'm a real bad man. Bad man traders. I need somebody to create that group, the bad man traders. Where my Caribbean folks at? I need y'all to create a group called the bad man traders, just because that sounds fire. The bad man traders. What do you think about Nas? I'm watching it right now. I mean, it looks like I might want to continue, but I'm also eyeing it because if this flips back down, boy, I think I want to be in that sell. I don't know, but I'm still watching it. This could very well just continue to go higher, though. We're trading above the moving averages now in the 5. It could go higher. My only thing is, again, it could, like, what if we do like this, right? We're trading above it, but it still ends up falling. Right, so I'm really just being patient here. I want to see exactly what we do up here at these levels. If we do pull back, I'm not opposed to it. Tap into this fair value gap, and then maybe from there go bullish. Like, that's what I would wait. I would rather wait for this for the NASDAQ, but I don't know if we're going to get this pullback right away yet. See, I'm moving a little different while working. Okay, Linda, go ahead. Come on now. Hey. Facts. Yeah. Come on, Nasty Naz. What we doing, man? What we doing? I like this, though. We had low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, shifted. Yeah. I honestly do like the upside for the NASDAQ. I'm not even going to lie. I like the upside just based on price action and what we've seen here. Based on this whole sequence, I'm bullish, but we got to see if we come down here, which I think we will, how we react around the 18,080s. I think there could be a very good chance, right, that we do see something like this. Yeah, I think there's a very good chance that we do see something like this. This is a 3-to-1 risk to reward too. Solid play. Yeah, I wouldn't be opposed to this at all if we were able to do this, family. See this thing pull back a little bit and then give us the play. That'd be nice. That'd be real nice. Every man grab a guy. Every guy grab a man. Let's see, he just gave that special shift with the TDI showing potential resistance. Yeah, I see the shift for sure. That's what I'm saying. If we could pull back, man, I like it. If we don't pull back, it's going to be tough for me to want to get in. I want to see that candle close for sure. Bro, you still talk to Gustavo? Yeah, that's my brother, man. Shout out to my brother Gus. You think it's worth getting the 5 accounts first and get the 20 accounts? I mean, it's totally up to you, right? I don't think there's... I mean, it's totally up to you. It depends on your preference, right? You know, what can you afford, right? Can you get the whole 20 accounts for 800? Or does it more make sense to spend 200, 250 and just get those 5 accounts? Totally up to you, though. All right? Ain't no right or wrong about that for sure. You are my miss. Give me with the kindness. I can't stop messing you. Yo, I realize, man, Vibes is a horny ass dude, bro. Like, all his songs are crazy. It's wild. Like, now that I'm older, now I'm actually listening to the lyrics, and like, boy, this dude was wild. Like, crazy they used to play this. Like, I used to go to they used to have like this high school bash right when I was in high school. We used to go to one of the local clubs, the most popular club, and obviously we used to be in there just chilling, right? We used to drink virgin drinks and all that, thinking we was drunk. We was probably like 15, 16, 17 years old, and these songs came on, and I didn't realize how crazy these songs are. We used to go nuts. Let's see. We got Tony in the building. What's the word, Tony? Wait, ain't this Neo beat or am I tripping? I hear the beat that you're referring to. I don't know if it's the same as that beat, or if like Neo sampled this beat or something. I don't know. Nah, this song right here goes crazy. This song right here goes crazy. Let's see. Come on, Nasdaq. What we doing here? Dang, US 30 is still going, family. Banana. This thing is up almost 300 points. Banana. Yeah, gold is still here. Gold is resting on this support. We did get a trigger line entry sell on gold here. We gotta see if this is actually gonna go though. I wouldn't be surprised if we did. Swept the highs. Swept this high of this little range. Shifted back lower here. Yeah. Let's go short. Probably ain't a bad play here, family. Only thing is just that we're right at a support, but come on, Nasdaq. What we doing here? Don't leave without us, Nasdaq. Just push down a little bit, bro. Come get this fair value gap on the 5 minute. Come on. Right here. I need you right here, gold. Come on. Come on. Banana. Successfully get at least one funded account, any size, if your wallet allows, and you have the discipline, your trades go full tilt. Absolutely. Absolutely. Definitely. Honestly, definitely probably makes the most sense to at least get one first for sure. Instead of, you know, spending all that money on all those accounts to only blow them all, that would suck. I mean, even if you do get a lot of accounts, just trade them individually. You don't need a copy trade right now. Right? If you are a new family and you have never passed a funded challenge just yet, then there's no point in you trying to copy trade. Like, you could buy them all, but individually trade them. Until you've proven to yourself that you can get a funded account and successfully got a payout, then go ahead and go crazy. So that's great advice. Once again, Mike, you are absolutely amazing, bro. I love the advice you give, man. Banana. Oh no, I got mad songs on here, boy. This playlist is nuts, low key. I made this playlist last night too, or yesterday actually. This playlist is elite. Yeah. Yeah. Mike, the man of wisdom. Shout out to you. Now he really is. Mike stay dropping gems in the chat. Naz, a dub for me right now. Personally, yeah, I'm chilling until I get down here and I see a reaction I want to see. That's what I'm waiting for. Run from the cookie like a bicycle. Run from the cookie on the bicycle. Some hard fuck you get that 12-inch cocky I will mark your feet. Make sure so you want where you get when you're done you feel it in every walk. What we doing? What we doing, Naz? What we doing? We coming down here or nah? Come on, let me know. Sex education class this. Enough of them get dismissed. My school and no funny business. Enough of them shock when teacher go tell them this. Want to squeeze your two breasts like the brakes them on the BMX or the. We are testing a level of structure here. I don't know if we are gonna get down there, but waiting for candle close is vital. Absolutely it is, bro. I learned my lesson from taking trades before the candle close. He said, no wonder he was in jail. This music is criminal. Yeah. This music is amazing, bro. It's just very sexual. I'm not gonna lie. Extremely, extremely sexual, this music. But if you can't understand it anyways, then who cares? Just vibe out to the vibes, you feel me? But he was, why did it? I think didn't he get charged with murder or something like that? Like, I think Vibes ended up going down for, like, murder or some shit like that. I forgot what it was. He said this music is criminal. Yo.
Some boy don't know if it talk, tell me I talk up.
Gold's gone? What's gold going? Oh, there you go. Now gold is tanking. Okay. Yeah. Me a tell you, say me a beg you a fuck. Young wine up your body, young wine to the top. Turn around for your back shot. Come on, Gold. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Your tight pussy plus for me fat cock. Pussy up when cocky knock. Brown in say she never see a body that black. So you skin it out, so me young push it in. Cock it up and it just make me push it in. Dash it out from the ground and make me push it in. Girl your pussy never dirty, girl your pussy clean. So you skin it out, so me young push it in. You ever fucking at the club, make me push it in. If I'm me body you know, make me push it in. Girl your pussy never dirty, girl your pussy. Yeah, gold is dropping nicely now, man. Come on now. Nasdaq, what we doing? You pushing down? Come on, Nasdaq. This is what I need from you, boy. Come on. Come on, you're right there. Come on, give us a play. Yeah, Bitcoin is at 56K now. Let's go. Solana at 144. Let's go. Remember, we already did take a trade today, family. We did take one trade earlier. Right, we did take one trade earlier. Right here. It wasn't much because we closed a couple contracts, but we got hit at break even for the rest. So this is still where we're at. We're up 120 for the day, man. We'll take that. We'll take that. It is what it is. Just pass me funded, family. Let's go. Oh, whoops, wrong button. Let's go. Come on now, family. Give some W's in the chat, man. Come on, family. We gotta celebrate each other, fam. Come on. Y'all getting lazy with them W's in the chat, man. Come on, family. Come on. Let's go, Neil. That's what we talking about, baby. Welcome to the family, man. Let's go. Big dubs in the chat. Big dubs in the chat. Come on. Turn around for your back shot. Post panic cocky like is a drop top. Let me use me blackberry take a
Tesha, my woman under pressure.
Joe me say love them. My baby
We must have a problem.
where there we are reason. She tell me it hurt her and she feel.
Told y'all, we got hella vibes right now, boy. I'll let go. She tell me she not let go. Another classic banger, boy. Oh my god. To the city. Where we go? We get gal everywhere we go. Everybody know. Everybody know. Get gal everywhere we go. It's how I used to be. Not me no more. I'm tied down now. I used to get gal everywhere I go. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't leave without us, bro. Like, I understand I understand this is a nice, strong support, but come on. Don't leave without us. Oh, gold. It's like I'm having a concert by myself right now, boy. I'm vibing over here. Everywhere me go, me get gal everywhere me go.
If I that be the case, girl avoid me. You a take that from dirty nigga. About your friends that she see.
Alright, we switching it up. We switching it up.
Your body drive me crazy.
We're gonna add a little bit more. We're gonna add some popcorn to the rotation. We're gonna add some Burner Boy with some Serrani, some Movado, some Mr. Vegas to the rotation, some Cham. Dance and tease it.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just
wanna dance and tease me.
She just wanna dance and tease me.
Come on, Nasdaq, come down here, baby. Come on, we're waiting on you.
Listen.
You've been missing since 2016.
Squid tell me 116.
You know that my sister.
When she speak, I listen.
What we doing, Gold? You gonna keep dropping, Gold? Talk to me.
We think different. I see.
Why's your heart I see?
Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me?
Yeah, Nasdaq is about to run.
Too many
Twists and turns, yeah.
Love the way you
twist and turn.
Yeah. Maybe come me, I too fry.
Get burned, yeah.
Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.
Come on. Somebody need a license fee. Got your via night and need.
Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me.
What's $1 doing? Dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me. That'd be the worst. Like, why are you over here trying to tease me, bro?
Dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you did.
What we doing here, Gold? What we doing here, Gold? You starting to push back up, but what we doing here? You did take out this little You did take out this little low, but.
The first night when I get freaky, when I get naughty. Before that we are chill with no one 40. Yeah, your body was so clean. So did I wear Versace? Pack it up.
Remix. Nah, this song right here is OD. Naz with the crossover, yeah. Naz officially is shifting now. Now I just need to wait for my entry here. Hey, turn me up. Hey. Look it up and wine from the
Love how you sit down and wine from the head. You have the boom, them gal them fuck dead. Baby, when you squint it, you mash up me head. Me and me gal a fuck till we jump off a bed. Me say gal fi beg, gal fi get fucked till them can't feel them leg. Woman a fuck gal and a treat them like egg. Woman want feel like.
Nah, we going crazy with the music, bro.
Me love sex like my gun. Me love bust it up and me love fuck for fun. But oh, one speak
Bro,
me under me rum and she do the stripper wine. You fi fight fi no come. Gal and you have the gum. Oh, you get so much and she no have none. A guy get
Nas with the crossover. What they put in that Starbucks today, I'm telling you. They must have gave you extra shot of something, boy, because they got me in my bag right now. I'm over here dancing like I'm up like $10,000 for the day. I'm up $100 for the day. Or at least on the account that you guys see, right? I am up a nice little bag on the personal, but I'm over here moving like I'm up 10 bands, baby. Hey, hey, hey. You cannot lie though, Drew. You know you and Mel are probably going crazy over there, man, listening to my music. Don't play with me, boy. Come on. Y'all over there vibing. Huh. Let's see, do y'all keep your buffer drawdown Apex funded accounts or withdraw everything? I mean, if you withdraw everything, you lose the funded account. Right, so it doesn't make no sense to try to withdraw anything. I mean, it's up to you, but I personally want to keep a buffer. Like at least $1,000 to $1,500 buffer in there at all times, just in case, you never know. That's just me personally, though. Mel and the Rubies dropping. Hey, we want to see those personal trades? I know. Can you make message I began about that? Oh, wait, what was your personal trades at? They here. I might one day. The thing is, man, like this is the reason why I do the prop firm thing here, guys. Like, I truly believe in privacy, right? Especially with certain things, right? Your personal life should be private. Your finances should be private. And a few other things should be private. Right? I went through a phase where I was constantly showing profits, constantly telling people what's up. But then you end up making yourself a target, man. And I'm good on trying to make myself a target just to show off and show how much. But I will, don't worry. I'm gonna have to, I'll let you guys in on some. You gotta be careful, man. You don't want to get too. There's some weirdos out there. And the personal trades are literally the same exact ones that I take here, by the way. Like the same trades we talk here, I take on damn near all my accounts. So. Come on now. Come on now, Naz. What we doing here? You know what's crazy though? If I did show actual, like my actual personal account and how much I make, I could definitely get a lot more people in the community. I could sell a lot more courses. I could sell a lot more boot camps that way for show. Right? Like that's the easiest way to do it. Right? I have a really good win where I'm making $4,000 or $5,000 in a day, and I promote that. Everybody in my inbox like, yo, hey, we started. That's really how it be. You know what I'm saying? So if I do it, just know it's probably because I'm trying to sell some shit. I'm just being real with y'all, all right? Because that's what most people do. They show the big profits, and then afterwards they got an offer at the end of it. And I respect it. So if I do show profits, I'm being straight up with y'all. It's probably because I'm going to hit y'all with an offer that you guys can go ahead and invest into. Just being honest. You guys want me to be honest with y'all or not? That's how it is, man. That's why most people do show off the cars and the luxuries and the houses and the money, so that they can hit you with an offer after later. Because to be honest with you, the world that we live in right now, showing off profits, cars, houses, like that's what gets sales. Right? People buy when they see shit like that. So I get it. I just made 200 on Naz. Come on. Just made 200 on the Naz about the run comment. Come on, Gabriel. That's what I'm talking about, man. He said I just made 200 off and it's still going. Oh my God. Come on now, look at this. This thing is going nuts. Let's see, being quiet goes further. I mean, it depends on what your goals are, right? You know, for me, I'm not really in too much of a rush to try to sell shit. Like, I have offers here. Like, I do got the 5-day Pro Trader Bootcamp video series that you guys can go ahead and purchase, which is down in the description of this video. See, that's an offer, right? It's super beneficial for you guys, though, because it will change the game. So if you guys are serious about your trading, go ahead and grab that 5-day video series, which also comes with my entire course. See, that's an offer, right? But I don't normally do that. That's a W promo, right? But normally what I could have did is like, yo, I'm up. Here, look how much I'm up today. Go buy this shit. All right, but there's going to be a time and place. I'm not saying that I'm not eventually going to go crazy, but, you know, time and place for me personally. Up another 400 on Naz? Yeah, you guys are going crazy, bro. Come on now. You guys been eating all day today, man. You guys literally been eating all day today. Mizuno. Let me see. I am blessed. I am blessed. Yeah. Yeah. Talk about it. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, Naz is still going up. Damn, I'm disappointed it didn't come to our entry, though. Come on, Naz, man. We did get a 3-minute trigger line, though. We did bounce off and get that 3-minute entry. Completely missed it. But now it's up. Up a good amount, up 60 points off the 3-minute trigger line. But yeah, this is going crazy, bro. Come on now, Naz. What's gold doing? Gold is still chilling, man. It's still holding at this level right here. See, now with gold, see, a sell stop right here might not be a bad play. Let me see how I feel about this. I mean, we did get a 5-minute engulfing supported by volume after sweeping the low, so I got to be careful with that, but And the only man she want, the only man she want, yeah.
She no care if she and him fight or if him drive the far at the stoplight.
I think of that.
The only man she want, the only man she want, yeah. Our man says she
Very special,
yeah.
very special.
I try lie, me nah lie. So I'm up on the front line, all night. If we buy all the world in a start, the house and the car. Still she won't give me the thing in the restroom and the bar. Hey, she willing for one for the pool, willing to give me anywhere for the tool. All when him a search up her for one a popcorn a every ringtone. Him cuss her and call her whore. Same friends said the relationship poor. As him talk and turn.
What we doing here, Gold? What we doing here, bro? Are you gonna start pushing up or what? Or are you gonna start dropping? And the only man she want, the only man she want, yeah. I think I want to set the sell stop below here on gold. I think if we do drop, this is probably gonna drop hard. I just don't know if... Yeah, watch this. Yeah, NASDAQ is going nuts right now. The US 30 is going nuts. The S&P, everything is moving to the upside now. Come on now. That bond and the only man she want. The only man she want. Yeah. The only man she want. Say him a go chop, say him a go shoot, say him a go shot back gun. The only man she want, the only man she want. I see. Can you explain your trigger line entry? Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's very simple. The concept behind it is very simple, right? It is a trend trading based strategy. You really just want to obviously make sure that you are in some type of a trending market. And for an example, you know, looking at this gold right quick, right? You know, we see that this market, for the most part, is coming from a nice sell-off, right? That took out internal range structure. We pulled back up, we have a little correction, and then we ended up continuing to drop. When it comes to the trigger line entry, the trigger line itself is just the 13-period EMA, right? The 13-period exponential moving average. And in a trending market, in the direction of the market, a close below the trigger line is the entry point, right? The trigger line is your trigger to enter the trade. That's why we call it the trigger line, right? So in a trending market, when the moving averages are like this, the 13 is below the 50, wait for price to get in between the moving averages. On a close back below the 13 in a downtrend, we take that sell all day long, right? In the uptrend, for the upside, looking at the NASDAQ, it just did it on the 3-minute, right? We really look for it on the 3-minute, 5-minute, 15. You can look at it for higher if you want to, but, you know, we intraday scalp here, so we really focus on lower time frames. But look at this right here, right? Look at structure. We went and created lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, but then we ended up shifting structure, created a higher high. So now structure, the trend is shifting. Wait for price to get in between the moving averages, right? Which is what we see there. This sequence right here is the setup. The close above the moving average is the entry. Okay, price getting in between the moving averages is the setup. The close outside of the 13 is the entry. Does this make sense, Esteban? Right, so something like this where we went and created a lower low, but then immediately shifted and took out the high that put in the low. Wait for a price to get in between the moving averages for the setup. The entry is the trigger line, the close above it. All right, so like that's an example of the trigger line entry. It's just something that you don't have to use moving averages. You don't have to use indicators to trade. You can just strictly rely on price action, right? But what I realize, adding these moving averages is just a lot more beneficial, especially for traders that are, you know, still trying to get their footing, right? Still trying to really, you know, get consistency. These moving averages, man, they do a phenomenal job. You know, they act as, at least I use these moving averages, the 50 and the 13, 3 different ways: to identify the trend, identify structure, and to identify the entry based off that 13. So that's really what that is right there. Jama in the building. What's going on, Jama? Good to see you in the chat. Abel, you want to hear a banger that's going to put you in a great mood? Play Engine Room. Oh, yeah, Engine Room is an absolute banger. I'm not even going to lie. That is an absolute banger. I'm gonna play that. I got you. I'm gonna play that after this song right here, some Serrani. Yo, what the hell happened to Serrani, bro? Like, he was lit back in 2009, 2010. It's Serrani. Just in case you never know. Just in case you never know. Oh, I haven't heard Serrani in a minute. Girl, you know that you'll be with us. I don't wanna play. No games. Girl, the only one. Yeah. No games. Girl, you together 6 months now. Gold active. What'd you put? What'd you put, Roman? Now I just hit TP up 1 band for the day. Come on, Ninja. Go crazy. Let's go. And I want you. Long time. I would never. Your mind. Come on now. Go crazy, Ninja. Let's go. Let's see. Yes, thank you. I've seen the ones that bounce off the 50 EMA turn out great, and then that entry is perfect. Yeah, I mean, that's a beautiful way of looking at it, right? Expect the bounce off the 50, the rejection. The 50 period moving average acts as the trend, but also acts as support and resistance. And then the actual trigger line is the 13, right? So the 50 has 2 jobs. The 13 has 1 job, right? And if you could literally just identify that and trade during a period of high volatility, you're going to be in great shape. Like, this system is so simple, so easy. Now, again, if you really wanted a more in-depth breakdown of how I look at this, because I do that. I do have videos where it's very in-depth. You guys can go ahead and go to the description in the link. The description in the link, that made no sense. Go to the description or the link in the description and go ahead and get yourself access to the Zero to Hero 5-day trading bootcamp. All right, this does come with a lot. It comes access with the private Discord, private community. It comes access with obviously the recordings for this bootcamp. But even more importantly, it comes with my entire course that has like 60 plus videos. Right? $300 one time, lifetime, for lifetime access. So if you really want to learn that system and that strategy, grab that and you'll be, I mean, you'll be in phenomenal shape. Phenomenal shape. All right, let's play this engine room and then we're probably gonna wrap it up after engine room. Hey. It's that soccer. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, gold is trying to push here. Gold is trying to push down here. NASDAQ is still pushing up higher. US 30 indices are just flying as it is. These were the plays right here, the indices. These are definitely the plays of the day. Especially US 30, bro. We called it. We should have set the buy stop above those highs, man. That went nuts. Does this make sense? They said, with rumors of a rate cut to battle inflation, I see gold going lower. Does that make sense? Hold on. With rumors of a rate cut to battle first of all, we don't battle inflation with cutting rates. We battle inflation with raising rates. Let's see what we get here. Let's see, King City in the building. What's the word? I'm inclined to believe gold will come to 2350. It's very possible. I want to see more downside. At the very least, I want to see us take out this 2422. If we come out lower and take out the lows, it's possible. Right? We are seeing a lot of weakness, you know, in gold. We have been for the past week or so. So I wouldn't be surprised. But at the very least, there's no way we don't at least take out this 2422. And then from there, we might see a little bit of a pullback to possibly continue, or a pullback to now go higher. You never know. We'll see. The thing about people posting themselves with Lambos is a lot of that stuff can be rented. That's a fact. It really could. I mean, there's people that literally, you know, rent out private jets, or go through a private jet that has like empty legs that are super cheap and affordable, you know, and then obviously act like you know, they paid the big bucks for it. It happens though. You know, it'd be like that. It's all marketing. Like, it's literally all marketing. Like, if you guys really understand marketing and how people act and people respond to materialistic things, then you understand that, yo, that's actually not a bad idea. That's actually a pretty interesting play that you're doing there. So yeah, it's all marketing at the end of the day. Like I said, don't be surprised. I'm not saying that I'm not going to eventually use all that stuff. There might be a time in my life where I do become a little bit more open, but that's usually because I'm trying to sell some shit. Like, that's the only reason why I would do that, right? Why I would put my public life out there, right? As if I'm trying to sell it for marketing purposes. So, it's usually how it is. Let's see. Hey, Coach, I know you use volume, but how do you feel about the ADX? I mean, the ADX is cool. I haven't used it in a while, like in like 4 years probably. But the ADX is cool. It's just another indicator, though. You know, that is that you can leverage to add as extra confluence. I don't have anything negative or anything positive to say. It's just another indicator that you could use and leverage. But I haven't used that in a while, though. Let's see. What do you typically, the rate cut is short-term bearish based on historical data? What do you drive, Abel? I can picture you in a little Eurus. I don't got a Eurus yet. I don't got a Eurus yet. I actually have a few cars, right? Because I do Turo on the side too, right? Like, I actually have I've had Turo for a while, right? So I actually have like 4 or 5 cars. But 3 of them are on Turo, all right? Getting rented out every single day, every single month, every single week. You know, and those cars are pretty decent. But the ones that me and wifey have, I have I wouldn't say it's an older BMW, but it's a 2020 BMW, little 3 Series, nothing crazy. But we also do have the other cars that we have. We have a Chrysler 300 that we rent out. We have a newer Hyundai Elantra that we rent out. We have a Jeep that we went out, and then we have the 3 Series Beamer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's where it is. The Urus is coming though. Urus is eventually gonna come sometime in the future for sure. For sure. Have you looked at the VIX recently? I actually haven't looked at the VIX really. I'm pretty sure it's probably going crazy, especially over the last couple of days. Oh my God, what the hell? Look at this. The volatility index went through the roof. Look at that. That's a crazy move, boy. We haven't seen this much volatility in a while. This is all because of what happened the past couple of days, though. Sheesh. This is crazy. That's a yo, that's nuts. I don't think I've ever seen the VIX like this aggressive, bro. That means everybody was panicking like crazy. Let's see, how's the Turo been doing? Viable business? I mean, it was better 3 years ago. It was way better 3 years ago. Right now, it's completely saturated. It's a lot tougher, right? Because now you're competing against people that have 2024s, 2025s, and are renting it out for $30, $40 a day, right? It's time tough. So it's not as profitable. There was at one point, guys, where I had like 5 cars on Turo, 6 cars on Turo, right? And I was making like $1,000 off of each car, minimum, right? $1,000 plus each month of profit off of each car, right? So it was crazy, but that was like 3 years ago, right? That's when Turo really started to pop off. Now I'm happy if I can make $500 to $800 a month off of each car, right? You know, so it's not as profitable as it used to be. It does enough though to cover all my car bills. Like, what I make off of Turo pays the car note on the cars that I have now, pays the insurance, it handles all the bills for the cars, which is cool, but it's not as profitable as it used to be. It's too saturated now. Way too saturated. Let's see. That's all cool, but the goal is to be financially free. Absolutely. Like if you guys don't realize, like for me, I live extremely below my means, right? And that's just because of my experience. Like there was a point in time where me and wifey were, boy, we're struggling. It's not even the right word. It's worse than struggle. You know what I'm saying? Like we went through a lot, me and wifey, like a lot, like playing hide and seek from the landlord and shit like that, right? Landlord come trying to get the rent. We're playing hide and seek with the kids so that they stay quiet. Like that's the type of background I come from, right? Where we were never taught how to manage money. We were never taught how to manage funds. We were never taught how to invest. Like we were literally the definition of not even paycheck to paycheck because we didn't even have enough paycheck to go on for the whole week. So because of those experiences that me and wifey went through, I can't, right? It's like it's tough for me now to make a crazy extravagant purchase. Because I think I still have a little bit of that PTSD from that, which is crazy, man. But listen, when I'm sitting on $1 million cash in my bank, I'm pretty sure all that shit gonna go away and I'll be lit. No cap. I see, not to bring this up, but because you said marketing, but why was IM so focused on marketing heavily versus trading? But the company itself, the concept was great, but damn, I mean, it's marketing, right? Like that's how they grew to 1 million plus people that went through the platform, right? They kind of had to focus on that. It was a network marketing company first. Trading was the service that was being offered, right? I think most people forget that or didn't understand that. It was a network marketing company first. Trading was just the product that they offered or the service that they offered, right? So marketing was always first. That's how it attracted me into it, right? Through marketing. Now, was that beneficial for them? Who knows, right? I mean, there were 1 million plus people that went through the platform. Right, Chris Cherry probably made $1 billion from IM, like dead serious, like not even making no jokes. All right, so I understand it. I also understand why a lot of people have negative experiences from that. All right, if you were on a team that was telling you to become chairman and recruit, then yeah, you probably had a bad experience, especially if you weren't a network marketer to begin with. The whole company was ran by network marketers. So what do you expect? You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. It be like that. But you have to understand, it is a network marketing company first that offered a service or a product which involved around trading. So it's unfortunate, man. I know, again, I've heard thousands of stories, right? Good and bad. And what it all comes back down to is it's just the team that you were part of, right? The team that actually brought you into the company is really going to dictate your experience in that company. My experience was great. Not just because I was an educator. Even before I was an educator, my experience was great. But that's because I locked in with actual traders. Like I specifically only joined because it was with traders, right? So my experience is a lot different than most others because of that. So I understand it though. Let's see. More goes into it than people make it see. Oh yeah, absolutely, bro. A lot of people don't understand what Turo. People think, especially with Turo. Like I've never had Airbnb. But with Turo, bro, people think they just buy a car and that's it. Like, nah, bro, there's a lot more safety procedures you have to go through. You got to get a tracker. You got to get the lock, especially if you want to do it with no hands or at least not meeting the person. You got to get the lock box. You got to get mad shit. You got to get the right insurance. Like, there's a lot more to it than people think for sure. For sure. So, people just had to press the play button. Instead, they clicked the Zoom links. I hear that, bro. That's crazy. People just had to press the play button on Go Live. Instead, they jumped on the Zoom links to get motivation. Nah, that's a fact. What do you think of scanners? I mean, scanners are cool, you know, to identify potential opportunities, right? But it's still gonna come down to you, right? You still have to be able to read price action, read volume, right? You still have to make sure that it's still valid, you know, because there's nothing out there that's 100% accurate at all. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Our team was heavy on trading. Yeah, our team was. Right? Our team was heavy on trading. That's why we don't really get too many negative. For people that joined our organization in IM, you're not going to hear them talk shit about it. Why? Because we prioritize trading. Like, we were actually getting to the back. Our team was made up of damn near all the educators. Right? All the trading educators. Right? So it was a little different. A little different. I see. I was on Turo too. Had to get off. Yeah, I don't blame you, Kevin. I mean, Kevin, where are you at right now? Like, where do you currently live? Because depending on your location, man, Turo could be super poppin'. Like, if you're in one of the hot spots, like if you're in Miami or Arizona or even Texas, right, Dallas or Houston, like a major city, And Turo could still be very solid, right? I don't know. Right? But if you're obviously somewhere that really doesn't get that much tourists, then it's probably gonna be a tough time for you. You ain't gonna be able to move none of that. No cap. Let's see, is IM still rolling? Is Cobain still with them? Yeah, IM is still going, man, and Cobain is still with them for sure. I still have a lot of my friends, man, that are still there. Like my guy Darwin, man. Darwin hits me up every day. Like, yo, bro, let's launch. Right? Shout out to my brother Darwin, man. That's just one of my bros that I truly still got a lot of love and respect for. I play with him on Call of Duty all the time. So I'm still getting people, yo, Abel, come back, blah, blah, blah. But for me, if I go back over there, then I have to stop what I'm doing here with y'all. And I don't want to do that. Right? I already did that in the past. I completely let this YouTube go because I joined IM. That's why I was able to get the 20K subs. Right? Back then, this was 20K subs came from like 3-4 years ago on this channel. When I was going heavy on YouTube. But then I joined the platform and I had to stop because I became an educator. Which completely destroyed this channel's algorithm, or destroyed the data from this channel. Destroyed the algorithm. And it also destroyed the check. Right? Because at that time, I was making like $1,500 a month off of YouTube. When I decided to stop and put it on pause. $1,500 a month. And I stopped. Because then I started getting paid $5,000 a month to teach. So, made sense. But if I would have never stopped YouTube, boy, I'll be making like $50,000 a month off of YouTube right now. But it'd be like that. It is what it is. It is what it is. At one point, I had 3 turtles and 2 Airbnb. Stressful as hell. People don't take care of your stuff. Nah, they really don't, bro. Nah, you'd be surprised, right? Especially with turtles, you'd be surprised. One day you check the tracker and that shit is in the other side of the country. Like, bro, like, how'd you even do that? And like, how you drive 5,000 miles in 3 days? Like, what? Yeah, you get some crazy stuff happen. No cap. Let's see. At the end of the day, you heard what they offered and joined. And if you wanted to, you could have focused on trading. Now, that's a fact, Sam. People do got to still hold themselves accountable. That's a fact. I was with the traders, even though my upline was pushing market. I just wasn't with it. Smart. Oh, you in Maryland? Is Maryland? Yeah, Maryland is probably like a tough place. Maryland is probably like a tough place to have Turo. Again, like Turo, Airbnbs and stuff like that, like, you really got to be in like a heavy tourist area for it to make sense. Let's see. Hello, I was there. I was following you, Kim, and Alan. Shout out to you, Bakri. Appreciate you. Most of the educators there are retail traders. Hey, listen, man. We're all retail traders, Sniper. Are you a retail trader, Sniper? Are you a retail trader, Sniper? Serious question. Because I don't like when people say that. Most of the people there are retail traders. What do you think you are? like if they're retail traders, then what do you think you are? Right, Sniper? Like, come on, bro. Like, everybody's technically a retail trader. Now, if they traded based off certain concepts, then that's different, right? But we're all retail traders. Let's be honest here, right? None of us have, institutional capital. None of us had the institutional algorithms, the AIs that they use, the tools. None of us have access to that. So we're technically all retail traders at the end of the day. Had such limited bandwidth then that 99.9% of the time, 15 minutes of video took an hour. That's tough. Mel still be on the live sessions. Yeah, shout out to Mel, man. I'm still cool with Jordan Morgan. We Facebook friends. Yeah, I mean, I'm still cool with all of them, man. Listen, I did not leave that company with any negative at all, with any negativity. I'm still cool with every single person that I was cool with in the platform because I left the correct way. I ain't just leave and just leave, right? Like, I literally gave people, especially the people that I respected, like, yo, this is my plans, my intentions. I'll give you guys another 2 weeks and I'm out. They have to respect it. Right? They had to respect me wanting to leave to better myself, to do better for me. And those that didn't respect me leaving the platform, fuck you anyways. I don't care. Right? Like, you won't pay my bills. But mostly 99% of people, man, they all respected my decision of leaving. And that's why we're still cool today. I can't find Alien. I think you're talking about Lee Allen. I'm not sure who you're talking about is Alien. I think you might be referring to Lee Allen. Let me know if that's true, right? Because Lee Allen, I think she works with a whole different network marketing company now. Like, a lot of the former educators family that were a part of IM are now a part of a whole different platform. All right, it's still not just IM. All right, I don't want to do no promos, but there is another network marketing trading company out there that a lot of these traders went to. Lee Allen, what's his name? Manny Quinones. I mean, it literally like 10 to 15 educators from IM are now teaching on this other platform. I'm not going to say the name, but yeah, it happens, man. So if you're looking for her, Bakri, she's in that other platform, man. But just type in Lee Allen, and she should be on Facebook, Instagram. So let's see, 50K a month. Yeah, if I never stopped pushing on YouTube, bro, I'd definitely be at like 50K a month, easily, because I was going crazy back then. And my biggest mess up on YouTube, this is probably the biggest thing that I regret of all time, was when I did go to IM, I literally deleted all of the content I created on YouTube. Don't ever do that. Learn from my mistakes. If you are creating content on YouTube, never delete your videos. At the very least, just hide it, right? Make it private. I legit deleted all my videos, which instantly, overnight, completely went from me making $1,000 to $1,500 a month to making $0 a month. Dumbest decision I ever made. I wish I would have just made them private, you know, but it'd be like that. Because I had so many videos on there. So, it'd be like that. Yeah, I made some money, but then it started to slow up. Too many new vehicles under pricing. Yeah, that's what the issue was. I still have my normal job. Yeah, shout out to you, Bakri, man. Listen, you don't have to apologize at all, Bakri, for your writing skills, man. I do a very good job of trying to understand it. You don't need to apologize for that. Let's see, crazy how I met Take Profit in New Mexico at an event. He put stuff in perspective for me that helped. Set me on the path I'm on today. We got some true mentors in the comment chat. Look at you, Take Profit. Hey, look at you getting the love. Nah, Renee was definitely one of the leaders of the team, man. He was one of the leaders, man. Really holding shit down, especially, you know, for the Texas folks, for the Texas community, doing his thing, man. And P2K money was trash. P2K, I mean, an extra $500 a week is always good. I ain't never gonna say no about an extra $500 a week. But it definitely, yeah, it's still tough to live off of just that, right? It's still tough to live off of just that for sure. Called you Andrew. Appreciate you, Andrew. Yeah, I'm gonna call you Andrew for now on your real name. I don't think I've ever called you Andrew in your life, Drew. Yeah, ever. But now I'm gonna start calling you by your real name, Andrew. Come on, Andrew. Nah, don't take it back now, Renee. We calling him Andrew. We calling him by his God-given name that his mama gave him. Come on, Andrew. Cringe. Nah, that is hilarious. I don't think I've ever called you Andrew in my life, though. Yeah. Oh, man. Yo, fam, it's already 11:15. What the hell? Where'd the time go? And there's still 50 of y'all on here with me? Holy moly. I must be bored today. Yo, I gotta get up out of here, though, family. I'm already a little late for my run. This is the longest stream we've had so far, man. But either way, it was good conversations, because this shit went by fast. I didn't even realize it was 11 o'clock already. Like, at all. Let's see, I remember that New Mexico event. We had like 20 people see, but that's the first time I ever went to New Mexico. And that's the only time I've ever went to New Mexico, was that specific event. But we had a good time, man. We make the most of everything, man. We be having a good time, man. All of us, when we together, we have good vibes. No cap. I'm vibing, big chilling. Yo, Sacred Flames, man. I know who you are, but I think I remember. Again, my memory is really good. But let me give some clues. You're from Florida. You live in Florida. Is that a good clue? Sacred Flame, talk to me. Because I think you was on my team too. I don't know. If you're not from Florida, then I'm thinking about the wrong person. But if you're from Florida, I'm telling you, I think I know who you are. Go forward out. I think I'm good with memories. Let's see. Big Gold Cell. What's Gold doing? Oh yeah. See, Gold is doing his thizzle, family. Oh my gosh. Shout out to all you that did take Gold, man. Took advantage of this. It's gonna come to the first place that I initially wanted to see. So yeah, Gold is going crazy, man. It's doing exactly what we wanted. Indices for the most part. Let's take a quick look at those. Yeah, I mean, they've seen a nice run to the upside here. They're trying to correct a little bit, but beautiful run to the upside there. Honestly, this play here could still probably play out for the NASDAQ. Take out this little hesitation right here, the little pause, and then from there go bullish. That'll be crazy. That would be nuts. Oh, okay. Now it was D'Angelo. Changed my name, but I'll start creating content for self-mastery. Okay. Turn up, man. Let me know when you get that channel up, man. We're going to support you. The whole family going to support you, man. Come on. Come on. We're here to support each other. Let's go. It was a fun experience. I don't regret it. Met a lot of dope people and still have great relationships for that. I definitely helped a few people get funded. Absolutely. Bro, the most important thing about that whole thing, bro, is not even just the fact that we help people get paid and learn the skill, but it's just the growth as an individual as a whole. Like, I think that's the one thing that people completely overlook from IM was the fact that they truly taught us the power of personal development, right? They taught us the power of manifestation, which is stuff that I never really focused on. This is me being honest. I never focused on that stuff at all until I joined the platform, right? Then I understood the power of thoughts, words, how powerful they are. I am the power, the meaning behind that. So like, I am really is the reason why I'm personally developed today, right? Because it exposed me to people that were pushing nothing but personal development. You know, so I got nothing but love and respect for even just that alone, right? And then us learning that also allowed us to instill that same ideology to other people, right? So I think that's the biggest thing from that entire experience is just the understanding of how vibrations work and how the universe really works. Like, it's crazy, right? So that's one thing that for sure I'm super grateful for, right? Just getting that growth mentally is next level. No cap. Let's see, we used to break into colleges, had groups of 50 plus teaching trading and trading, yep, and none of us went to college. Yeah, facts. Man, the growth was powerful. Absolutely. I 1000% am the man I am today because I was a construction worker when I learned about personal development. I'm telling you, bro. Same thing. That personal development was traumatizing, but great core work. I'm telling y'all. That's what really changed the game for me. So, but yo, family, I gotta get up out of here, man. Wifey, I'm pretty sure gonna come in the room like, yo, we got errands to run, bro. Well, I gotta run first. I gotta go for this 2-mile run real quick. It's gonna be hot as hell. Hopefully it's not raining. It's supposed to storm over here for the next few days. So hopefully it's not raining right now. I gotta go for this run. I gotta stay disciplined. But family, listen, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. You guys are absolutely phenomenal. Great stream today once again. Without y'all, I would not be able to do this. Because I need people to watch me, man. So you guys are phenomenal. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you guys for showing up. We only took one trade today. At least I took officially one trade today. It is a very small win, but we'll take it. It is what it is. But we'll be back tomorrow, man. Same time, same place, family. Let's continue to show up. Let's continue to get better. And let's do what we gotta do, y'all. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all, family. Hopefully you guys have a phenomenal rest of y'all day. It's your boy Abel. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, let's get it, y'all. Take care.